player one so timi ese goals do padia na se openina fence we no eya we no enso eya Miroslav Klose one our 16 goals enra na se Messi 3 goals one so timi nya against Omina ye fence Argentina no say abe equal Messi so enso timi equal sa record na one so kita de kan se pono me patcho 16 goals eno enkuma krefi ba pania ye fence Ronaldo Nazario enso 15 goals me no ka say all third position ano pania fence Gerd Müller enso 14 goals we no enso Kylian Mbappe Lotin me no ka say no so 14 goals ya de san komo no enso ma juma di cases na say bibi bia so timi akonka enra ana say eye 16 June 2026 obakai the very first time Messi enso abo World Cup no eye 16 June 2006 into 20 years Messi nyani debut make can say 20 years ago Lionel André Messi Coutinho enso timi nyani debut enra me patro sa gina mu enso di juma de mamaina je France Argentina fast forward 20 years later Messi abo hat-trick masa opani we made mono kwankai enso enkuma kra me nsa ka di nya no enso sumo juma de suna bibia enso timi akwanka na me no kasa ite unim say before say nra me patro chess Argentina game ne baso no na brante France Kylian Mbappe Lotin enso timi ase 2 goals e dey mamaina France against Senegal eno na say amam Reno Mbappe enso timi abepam Messi ho enso so awade kan say goal scoring chart ni mu enti ubwa na say we pay images no na ya di sound common enra chese Mbappe so no 2 goals onyati o man defense Senegal ama Mbappe so atimi anya 14 goals say ono so ade ade kan say pono me patriot ade kan say 4th position enso World Cup all time top scorers ni ma ya de common enso ma ho e wo dwuma de sina bibia enso atimi akogara after say Mbappe Lotin say 2 goals and then all pop anina your friends say we no just 4-10 Sanswana Olivier Giroud wo pom nyina say me patcho French national team no all time top scorer no openini din komo say wono wonya ko onyi din competition bia wono bia empri bia Sanswana don pepi no enkofo dodo no mtimi criticize wo no wo so no na adwini wo ene wo mobo ani say wo betimi silence ni criticism bia ene wono obobo ana say po ade atimi mani sika ana say po atimi mani bibi mani wetimi ni hwe na busu enjoy football no enti pempi ne nipa dodo na wo mso timi criticize abrantia your friend say Kylian Mbappe Lotin no wasi dabi masa enye say bia opeso silence obia wono bo no enjoy no so eye nkuma kra me say kedi nya no enso sumu dwuma de esunese bibi bia enso timi akwankan enti anopa wo betwa ni show no live on Facebook eye capital D capital 106 don na images outdoor videos outdoor senso na reactions no when say kan kekati abrantia friend say Michael so coach now enra during that time I said France man no enso edit Senegal man eto mo proper position wini my brand friends I show speed one on YouTuber apani we na ba Ghana ha say wo be huri no to jollof ma Ghana man bi enso minim say komo say deyo wo mo so etiti bi dia enra na stadium na say already commentary Johnny show no at the time na brand here your friend say Kylian Mbappe Lotin enso enya first go Emma Le Blues of France.
DL Power Sports.
DL Power Sports. E mo ade, e jawo, dead. DL Power Sports. E mo ade, e jawo, dead.
Right, tabusianti yagusu nkonya so yensa so video ne so a yade ni nyina so be ma wo dwuma de nsura bibia enso atimi akwankanti no de na se MetLife Stadium at the time for my friends France enso chi Senegal ebo mo 3 goals to 1 no abrante friends Kylian Mbappe Lotin enso nya first goal na se I show speed enso so atimi ya commentary kakra enti ye bo bia pe video ne ensaka na fe ya pratumenti minim se video na pa enti okocha be na fe wo pratum na ye dis. Number
11 gives the ball. Mbappe has the ball. Ew! Mbappe! Mbappe with the goal! 1-0 France. Man! 11 gives the ball. Mbappe has the ball. Goal! Mbappe with the goal! 1-0 France. Man! Goal! Mbappe! Man! Mbappe!
Enti I show speed no na say no run commentary enso e was stadium na maza ze no tiam go ne de maza keneta tamu ne ade aka nso disi kamoman bise moya agrona mu de on wayi ni yam nyina we na ye beka say wo firi ne kra ne ni paduam nyina na say wo tiam go na say abrante we eno na say feeling nso exception nso MetLife Stadium at the time o man friend say France enso echi Senegal e bo ma kamyansa wo mutimu ba kwa de komo no enso ma na unim say Michael Olise eno wonya ni debut enso de ma Le Bruce of France eno the first time one so etimi abo World Cup e de ma man friend say France master class performance master abrante friend say Michael Olise when him bobo brutal ra abrante ni debut wonya 1 assist me no ka say 100% shot accuracy e ye 2/2 shot to mienu ni nyina so etimi ekopose mi senso and 14 passes into final third day say abrante ni pia pass no na kwa de Kansas Senegal do atwada kanim no and so etimi nya 14 times na ne ade Kansas 6 out of 9 grounds duel sample ball in the form na abrante we Jeffrey Senegal Mountain sam and so etimi nya says and o making 9 attempt abrante no performance one so eden na do agopan so no kwankati Michael Olise after the game in 24 and so bondi so no na man of the match and so sa big man na told after say me patro Senegal and so din cho against Omaya your friend say France and Opero je din come to do no so so mo e ojuma de so me di come and so mas Argentina man no and so chi Algeria e bo me kan poly me and so man tiate unim say makacho say Messi and nya 3 goals ni na and so the man friends Argentina na after the game na ya twiba openina your friends Isamante unim say openino ay captain and so the man when ay Senegal when ay Algeria team no ana oka chenze masa game no mo boy no enya say Argentina no mo ye better than no and also money e kwankan bi ase omo na mo difference na say omo kita Messi enti Isamante captain fantastic and so the man friends Algeria was it the only difference and also told our go permanent so and so my friends Argentina one so add Messi and so Argentina made adwuma and so the Argentina that's the only difference opening so come on there to ja and opening so mo adwuma dey Ibrahim Maza and so see academy Algeria team no one so din come on was Maza and Algeria team no dey metin ya no me ya no omo bone nurse e kwanka nemom unim say omo go omo share ya me patro fans release ago no and so say bone enya go no was eno na team kofa ade kan say pono abambu and so the man na your friend say Algeria nam so bi emom no amu so timi dincho omo de sam komo and so tu jano peno je de nyina so ma odwuma de sinese bibi bia so timi akwankana after the game and Messi who can ababa your friend say Antolina one also etimi post image we Johnny show no live on Facebook capital D capital 106.9 we post image we enso our IG and not sure hey Argentina always with you Messi you are unbelievable intimasa and no Messi ni dia oh bobo now baby girl why enso ejina stands in anase pono one also was stadium na so throw more supporter na se feeling enso ya sonko kran him say abrebia man be say better as the likes of bueno enso Miss Rita enso Priscilla sanso na ababa na so ba pania your friend say Janet munyina sam jam munyina enso timi ni more support no enso teche no and enso timi jinja man wode e timi tuja enso ma dwuma de stress bibi bia so timi akoka after the game me part Argentina so no enso Algeria come here no unim say Messi and mpanifo so timi bon din say na man of the man masa at age 38 a few days na Messi did 39 years World Cup bo hat-trick was the man of the match unim say na ukopem World Cup na mundia ya players amaji most ade kan say pono man of the match, MVP, most valuable players Messi and a leading chart no watch 12 times and he say ya bo game ni upon na ya bo player be the simple and penny for a player as a player way and the modern boy so at their call can pa and simple the modern bono and so I can was a particular game you know Messi wet me and ya 12 sounds one of Cristiano Ronaldo at Osumi no 7 Iron Robin Susia kind and simple or a former player and so the man Netherlands team no one also and ya dear can say 6 Kylian Mbappe Latin sweat me 5 Luka Modric and sweat me 5 na Luis Suarez abrante we dia uboni dia Ghana ni bia mpeso beti side way esanse 2010 dia abrante we ya no masa chete nyamna sempa wudi sem ana watimi dia man konko Ghana ono so atimi anya dia kanse 5 MVP enso our World Cup asia yede sam komano enso asumna after sene Messi enso atimi enrich dia kanse pono we no aya close ni goals scoring chart him say World Cup nyina no close ana wonu so atimi asem most goals 16 goals sa record akita na chebruta na Ronaldo Nazario and a Tosumianu 115 enra Messi hat-trick no enso atimi a cancel Ronaldo Nazario record and no did that Fadia cancel second position and then was 15 goals Messi after so breaking record no Jebusa Messi nkoma Canada yente nkoma Messi di area na ya breaking it down Messi nkoma.
Bueno, solo como dije recién no puedo pedir más de todo lo que recibí, como lo dije muchas veces, gracias a Dios me regaló demasiado y todo lo que viene ahora es disfrutar, como dije muchas veces, no miro si primero, segundo, tercero, creo que es un elogio increíble que te digan que sos uno de los mejores de la historia, eso es impresionante, ¿no? Con toda la gente que juega de fútbol, con todos los monstruos y jugadores que pasaron toda la vida en el fútbol, poder estar entre los mejores, increíble. Y después la gente elige, siempre hay uno, otro, pero no es algo que, como otra estadística tampoco, ¿no? Me cambia mucho, soy un agradecido. Solo, como dije recién, no puedo pedir más de todo lo que recibí, como lo dije muchas veces, gracias a Dios me regaló demasiado y todo lo que viene ahora es disfrutar, como dije muchas veces, no miro si primero, segundo, tercero, creo que es un elogio increíble que te digan que sos uno de los mejores de la historia, eso es impresionante, ¿no? Con toda la gente que juega de fútbol, con todos los monstruos y jugadores que pasaron toda la vida en el fútbol, poder estar entre los mejores.
Enti Messi nkoma odi tu jana se yede ni na so ma nei wase oya aneze nei wonu so etimi enya sa mai ade kan achievement wetimi abo atriko sa particular game ni no na Messi to say wo hwe Rafael ade kan se nada unim sa tennis player no wono ni documentary ana mpempi no wo hwe na wo hu se na se no ogide se nei apani e friend se Rafael nada wono no similar in ade kan se personalities come here say Rafael nada niema mpempi ogina tennis court ne so aye no enu bia na Messi so ogina park ne so a wono so timi ye de san koma no enso ma djuma de suna bibia enso timi akonka na nowhere enso tumi omosha omina je friend say Iraq e kana omotimi ba ko unim say Ellen Bratalan e she 2 goals na no Haaland she 2 goals no nim say nei anka World Cup ya start no Kylian Mbappe a she 2 Haaland a she 2 ye she de nya player bia wono ebo hat-trick afa ye twese Messi be boni dia wi Messi Koboy our hat-trick Haaland post here was it damn Messi man is a madman na say masa Messi ni dia come here say anyway just bibi ya hano Argentina say Obia she 2 goals unko watimi akwa 3 na Helen Haaland and so timi post image we ya one so timi chua say Messi is a madman no so yankoma mensa ka no panadinya no and so asu mujuma dia sura bibi bia and so timi akwa na nim say England akwada na e friend say team we no Tino Livramento one also prawe na carpentry due to that openi friend say Thomas Tuchel and so atimi akacha kulanze enwumenya so be kofi nene openi friend say Trevor Chalobah and so atimi abe replacing the reporter mete and say Trevor Chalobah when did juma anima Chelsea the Blues team no and so atimi enya late call up one also abe replace Brantia your friend say Tino Livramento ya de san komano and so asumna nsade kan say pono replacement when say uko England aye he nkofo ka say adan openi friend say Thomas Tuchel wone abrantie friends Alexander Arnold enso wa semana adentina na itino area kan se livramento pra so timi fa Trent Alexander Arnold ebebo wa overlooking na we yina sinchen wo kofa Trevor Chalobah eba ne san enti wo kwa England na say you can pay dia enkoma wa manti Obia enso di bia de nkoma no enso so modwuma de so na bibia enso timi company friends Roberto Martinez enso coach enso de man je friends Portugal no so confirm so company friends Ruben Neves and I said Diago Dalot mu ba ko ana na no so betimi abo again and I said Portugal game one bebo our group stage ni no esansa Brante friends Ruben Diaz one also entimi mo sa game into opania your friends Roberto Martinez enso the confirmation about say between opania your friends Ruben Neves and also Abrantia your friends Diago Dalot omumu ba ko ana mbe center pair and also enkoma aka men say kadi nya no enso so me yade dwumade no enso ma dwumade so bibia enso timi akonka unim say o man friends Iran omo so abo mo first game na omo first game on bebo USA omo bo game ya wie late night players ya bre e wo sen komo da players ni omo interact enso ni mpanifo di komo sen enwe hia so mbeja mo na omo da California de achia nom de omani mancho enso akọ Mexico unim say because of intawantawa e do man friends say Iran enso ene oman na je friends say USA ene Israel intemptino say Iran for ni bomb games ni e wo USA na so omo nti USA kromo games on bebo nyina no omo bebo USA after that no mu kwada Mexico na mabo game we big game wo matime nya draw se bibia konkan omo si omo bre ehun be nya se players ibeda na nka de achi kro matimi a travel ko Mexico empanifo si da bi masa yenya ka se kro mu aba de ye mamonda no entinti ametini se nei omo na fence Iran after se nei wo mu bo sa crucial game no enso awade e kan se World Cup na se omo bre ni nya chi no omo sa travel ye e ko man na fence Mexico eno nso yankoma aka men se ka we no ankoma mete ene se 140 miles and omo travel back to Tijuana enti masa USA for the World Cup way wama yiri niam mu pampi way ana se nkofo nso tutu bi ma no panina ye fan say Gianni Infantino FIFA president say bani say na sa treatment way enso ekodi ma man na ye fan say we dey come no dodo na so so munim say sa game no enso ba we panina ye fan say Gianni Infantino enso ekọ Iran dressing room ana oni players nso ene entourage ni nyina enso ekodi nkoma say masa upon the ekosu nyina no matimi a show class pa mu bo no ekọ nkan brutal no so nkoma akra men say kedi nyina no enso asum nkoma de nka doso nemom mene ko enti ye betage from unim say na Blasters enso game ye the senior soccer team Blasters of Ghana nkoma dodo na enso ba na ye so manane no abrante fence Mazens Locres enso player de ma French national team no unim say World Cup wakobi o tibenchi de ni nyinam no wadi nkoma wo sister France national team no enso bobo bia ni village of free ayat eno matese enipa 300 ana ewasa village abranti we say obeto pizza e dia mo bia okromo enti wa communicate to ne ma me say nei anytime bia French national team no enso be gina go pramaso si akan enso World Cup we no me pacho village friends ayat what French mamu no abranti friends we no Mazens Lacrosse waso beto pizza amom obia okromo enti ano senia honorable John Dumelo enso on the constituency nei but we no kenke pa dokuno pa komika kenam ana nei wono so etimi de man constituent abrante fence Mazens Lacrosse so et maybe on that note amana ni nkoma ni nyina no yade besi akan ketesi Lumba super enti yanda Lumba super se na yensi form efisa mo nkoma ni yemfa meso
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
right abusia yegusu asinkonya so kan ketesi Lumba super anopa Lumba super si mi musa odwuma de be na odi anase pono wonfi so ben ana onum unim se nhwehwemu adade pefe se mofra ne no mama pomudin ejina brane sanso a ana yenua no ma ne ye mame no mama fofuro titiriu ene ma na mo so mama mofra nu fo no ene ubetimi anum Lumba super ni na clean system ni wo abofra na se sebi ne hu ba bia ni padua akwa no ba bia nu a ene so etitima Lumba super dama yegusu asinkonya so agudie mu nsema no pa no ya de somo fa du su no efisa mu komo yemfa ni nyina so emesom na unim se nei Thomas Tepate enra na se ne ho enso ensem be ye he ewiase ba bia be fa bia de na se nkoma omudi Thomas Tepate ni nyina ne se unim se World Cup Ghana ye kodi djuma enso ono Thomas Tepate ekaye team no bi unim se me no kasa de team no ekọ USA enso ekobo mu adwa na against Panama game no ye beyin so ade kanza na se pono ye kokobo oman na fence Canada Toronto kromo na ye de sa big game no BMO Stadium ana sa big game no eno so ebetojwa na proud to sa big game ebetojwa no unim se na hu benya se Blasters team ni nyina enso ebe free oman na fence USA na omakopiem enso Canada na proud to say nei womo so Canada no ana entiamete na se mpodi ebe ye se nei Canada immigration penny for say massa Thomas Tepate court case nei unim say case ni court ma bi enso akoda in court say nei Thomas Tepate enso racial and simple no wa rapium red case sanso na sexual assault ni nyina nso ha etwetwire chese etwetwire wa ese no nso court and am so bi na Canada immigration for say nei wo ntimi ma Thomas Tepate kwan na mo nso ntimi ontimi emewro mo manim enra me pacho appeal no enso etoja unim say federal court in Ottawa Canada hona 1 p.m. enra sa case no enso mpanifo tena so jeja ye friend say Roger Lafrine what the confirmation about was masa Ghana twomu time Thomas Patepa wonwe nchine boto Ghana se nchine grawa onra Canada mamu enti enya boabo Ghana ni Thomas Tepate nyina enti assistance ye game ne Panama enso elbebo en 11 p.m. no me pato Thomas Tepate ya ruling out unim say lawyer ababa anaso oba pania ye friend say weno eya maketa Bramwell wano ana ese okogina chire enso etimi edema Thomas Tepate nenya panipa enso ewa homane so wei coach Vicente Abiu wano ewa homane so yeni no ending koma akranfa san koma nim coach good morning pacho bia boko de
yeah good morning bia boko
coach ya da pa ya start World Cup every time bia ye hia ewo ye dwumadi esu ne ya tuansa fro onso gia so ya da pa coach enra appeal ekoma Thomas Tepate case ni se nei anka court ne behwe na patenso yatimi grant ne visa na say entry Canada no atimi akobwa Blasters of Ghana sa big game and 11 p.m. etojo against Panama ni nyina mu antentam coach mi musa say ya pate NK team no tactically ensusu so be ne benya we team so
I mean that's it. I think prior to this game I don't know we are aware consciously aware say now on this visa into now preparation will be off the line. You take him off for a while until hoping say maybe a winning case. So once any run a year, I will be run a team here ready and more money access to the place and can be higher. But now I am aware. I think anyone you know be aware for the past 1 week, or more. Say on the visa asset. And no I call for appeal no. So we share the preparation there course on this particular Panaman game. Now coach, I am a Juma Dada without party. It's effects there, now any effects dada. And I effects homework. It's me so say I feel never be critique another effect. Assuming say omu ko okwansu, omu Canada, and I stop in okwanmu, and I can say maybe omu deny final preparation. But oye training and park the so without Thomas Tepate. So it means team shaping he did a team shaping without Thomas Tepate. So much effect. Even though he's one of the biggest players, no. But what fun is saying now one red card and I know proud to a game. Once you are doing your preparation, I won't sure so bet you visa another come who dear. We need full plan now your preparation.
Well, coach, me believe say me say after Panama game no definitely against Croatia and England party betimi abona say is an manema we for party no psychologically e betimi nya nsunsu so bi o party so
psychologically there be our two face. It doesn't mean say every negative story will give you a negative psychological effect. Obi too much stride if you way move. So depending on the individual and the people around him. So sometimes yes, once it's a negative problem, you're about to go through a lot of stress. The psychological problem will not be bad. Psychological problem affects physiological aspect of the game as well. But yes, some of the same people we are here. As someone wants to say, as a bonny, to know, or to read them, so know their page anymore. So these are depending on the people surrounding him and the player himself. So now, the GD what you move, and what same way move. So, oh yeah, yo, unim, one yo, unim. Nti onu nekita gide ni say adia come in say me nyeye nti we gide say one day I'll come out successfully. Nti any negative story have always got two sides. There's a positive in it depending on the individual, but there's a negative in it because negative in a trend is here. It's who now be deciding now for positive. So there's an effect. There's an effect negatively and positively.
Well, coach, and Ghana Panama, oh dear, you started crying and no ding come on. I say, Ubet me as a city me, I say to me about Panama game, you and say, yeah, idea can say top notch, friendly game beer. And a Panama and Ghana, coach. Game no one is a Musanisa.
No, I think it's a very good game, a very difficult game for both teams, especially when the small teams are beating the big teams. And when the small teams are drawing with the big teams, and when the big teams too are winning some of the small teams, Obia picking motivation with mu. Fanny said, and then Ghana and Spain, now came very in Panama. You remember boarding now, they want to share a couple draw. It's game members who are there. A moment, 11 o'clock, no, nobody deciding at the opposite of Fakofi. Watch all the matches, home. Japan, Netherlands, you saw that game. You saw who Spain came ready. I think Saudi, Uruguay, games we am I upset, thinking say these are games that will go through easily. But whatever happened today, Masha blaster training. I think say Coach Carlos is putting up something away from football, but trying to get the mind of the players to check their mental ability and mental strength of the players. So, Ninya Bededi, training Ayahunya videos, Ayahunya, Ninya Bededi in the game from 11 o'clock. That is, we find the shape of the team. I think, sir, if we want to survive this World Cup, one of the games, Ayanya, a particular game way. With the share, other African brothers' opponents, Brazil played Morocco. Senegal played France yesterday. Then Egypt, any Belgium boy. Very played Spain. We also play Panama today. So giving Yakitamu history, different approach. But I think, sir, like I rightly told you, after the first game, we will be well informed about the team, possible selection, possible who start, why not we start here. So I can only say, so we wish them the best of luck this morning to the evening that they will play the game.
Coach, I know me now as say you from so Oji Sunani Dinkomo. After the game, your best abani Dinkomo, coach.
Okay, that's it.
Coach Vincent Tabu, one of the finest technical and I say tactical coaches Ukumo, a former assistant coach at the Accra Grill Olympics, and Yaneno Edi Sankomoe. Na Enra, Menuka said, Yenya correspondent, and so I was Toronto, Canada. Enra, during that time at 4 p.m., Blasters team, and so a few hotel, almost Delta Hotel, Toronto. And Tiametin say a 75 semi-quad downtown Toronto the honor team no enso campaign yenya video I say boys no enso echo training 4 p.m. enra na say me say World Cup we need actually power from washroom to dressing room and coach aboa na fe nepia video no to am na say Ghana for so wetin say kakra bi
there was a lot of crowd.
To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left,
Henti na se enra babia is a Blasters team no enso down on we no Delta Hotel na se Ghana for timamufo to na mrofu nyina do mo agima ese mo so etimi esa kakalika ho nei wo so rally support pa enso edema Blasters team no yede san komo no enso emantia na de maga just rep your jersey bibia enso edidamenti on that note agudemu nsem ni nyina no yade ebesia na afi no yetimi aso adwumadi enso asida pese enkoma Lumba supasa brano bia no yetena so mutimi ekwa mo aso yase na omunso etimi boama yade dwumadi no enso ebe so Michael so coacher and producer show na me so no wey efimi amenu abema Kenneth Arthur Kofi Ken official the international blogger o say ne eye ne se ba ku birthday say Sagashos ene udiwa woda enti Kenneth Arthur Kofi Ken official esi yamfa konya we so na yawe show happy birthday panti sense agashos ene ewa woda yese nyankopon se onto inshan show pa engu wabrabo so de odu nsabe so mbia no eno nso entimi enwe peye enfamanti sense agashos once again happy birthday we African Arthur Kofi Ken official the international blogger no se yamfa konya we so enwe show woda pa we nso so every the international DJ afiba e man friend Brajo wasi yamfa konya we so na we she adwoa asieduwa dorin happy birthday dodo na efro adwoa cardiology enti adwoa cardiology na awuda the international DJ afiba si yamfa konya we so na we show happy birthday nyankopon ontina ni muncho onsu mu mfra adumu enko adumi se no ma ohima Esther enya ohine nanim adum saa so na yes se na ewa awuda nyankopon ema wonya nanim adum na afei wonya nipa bia nso anim adum ti on this note happy birthday DJ afiba the international DJ Brajo na si yamfa konya so na we show happy birthday adwoa cardiology anopa happy birthday and your demo enti Mr. Hitman ma yemfansi na me so Mr. Rita wotema manyante se wutie sanso ana Prisla Mayebi onsusu wo shuma no wutie ana fe message geneto foiwa Madina Estate ana Sam J Bekri bema yaw munyina manyane tie se mabiema mo monitor dwumade on this note agude mu nsema eboabo nyina no yemfansi me dey the best makadu say ubetimi afra me man be say 11 p.m. big game by our standard the commentary ba besomo
right mate Bismarck Adusa na pay me that's papa say wodi agudi mo nsem all the latest around the world of sports wodi aba join you live on Facebook live on YouTube ba share link no na for foforo bi so entumi ehwebi anapay Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia
DLFM 106.9.
Minute after 7. Coming up next on the show, all the top stories, all the major stories. Go work out Tamo Boss. When I pay you the bro. You sure about could you maybe I pay what's not enough for the co work out now. I'm on 70 in Adia bro. I pay my Musa so to be a museo. One museo, my make for Lumba in supernatural mineral water and for my Bujusio. And what the pa. You are from Fidiamo. It's pure in every form. Just get a grab. Mausan Kabib. Sanse bebo papa jumedi bia wodi aponto bia woto adofo ba na fi wamo nsu a no Lumba in supernatural mineral water e dia fan fidie mo wacho wona wodan suma mo benya bia to madam abanya meche woni Lumba sports bon hwedi pepepe from madam abanya meche was 0557 349 401 mama Vic wo fan call I'm sport. One you say washing bay na bon hwenim pepe 050-0680-783. That come on here Bra Kwame Circle Station or be Adum Choba no. For Bra Kwame was 0244-094793. The one ya Edith Kusi at the Central University in the hwenim pepe. From Madam Edith Kusi was 0246-601-004. Auntie Amelia Watama Community 4 Second D Joint up. Auntie Emilia was 0540-423-201. A shaman patient Dopenyo and also friend Albania Biato was 0543-499-035. A shaman Corona Albania Peggy Mami Business Center. I was from Sabeka Lumba in Supebi. Nafe Wonsu Wama on Sakabina de Dijumabia Woody 0243-230-836. Lumba in supernatural mineral water, pure in every form. I just have me beat and I said, now for the cool work at Tabo Boss one about the phobia and the word one birthday. Your mama happy birthday, and come on, Miss Cardinal. Ishmael Apia, it's your birthday today, happy birthday. Mary Menu Mensa, and I would a happy birthday and confirm. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia 106.9 34 minutes after 7 a.m. here. Coming up next, all the top stories, all the major stories making headlines in the national dailies. In Shaba, Kwadwo Samibi, and I pay what I say.
Yereko newspaper review no more. Nishiraba, Kwadwo Samibi, no din se mereko swaba ufie. Morning light, yebama for a money. Headlines no about my mind. Politics, sports, the entertainment and so. Go just me be them my what you. Newspaper review on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ my Obia. You can cry every morning time. From Ghana to the world, yeah, in some breaking stories, yeah, in fun to hope. Sharp analysis, they kasapa binso. Wake up Ghana, time to know. Go just me be. Newspaper review every morning. DLFM 106.9.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
Tune in every morning, don't be late. So DLFM, yeah, what here my newspaper review. Winshiraba, Kojo Samibi.
Newspaper review with Winshiraba, Kojo Samibi. I don't pay what's not saying. If you're not Kojo Akwaba, now in Krataba and I don't pay it on Fadina. As usual, I don't pay Kojo representing fully. Our Black Star Jesus no matter say no pay supporting Ninya Asam Ketwakra. Kojo, good morning.
Yeah, Black good morning.
And I don't pay what to say.
Yeah, me adom me hoye.
One pa wash Black Star Jesus there, not just say and the Ghana be with him. And then to say,
oh yeah. Ghana kunim dia we nim.
Kunim dia we nim. But in somehow we can newsroom one na nje.
Say
so see you baby.
No, listen, you see you will be can say objectivity before patriotism. Aya na ye di kan hwe ye modern mo ene wo man no mo kwehia na modern mo na ototo ho atomu say ahifuchini bi de bi achi enti free minus plus and divide
what the two zani
aha atomu say ye modern mo no as compared to ye opponent ahodo no yeah ba ko pe ene match ya na efo ma yen de aka ne de ya na eden enti I think say be di ho nkomo hu kuntabu ni baba
with God all things are possible
but why not we can qualify from our group depending on performance I be show and that is the most important thing because we were tournament na sha se na ekona ye nyina ye hu say there are some teams bi wo ho no ma dodo na tumi underleti wo no typical example ne Keved for match no muni Spain Obia ni ho ma wo chance say o metumi kura nya 2-0 kura na chese ready see so we be to me see but depending ye no no ye problem no wo de be de won komoti ne ye be bubu anyam kakra na Ghana fo hu ye problem no sempeni fo to me esi sa problem no ho kwan there there is no way say ye qualify from the group but so man to me anya there e be ye pampim e be so hardly
for us to qualify
qualification ne as I mean as it stands now ne there your opportunity was say be qualify no be 30% say a bear is 70.
See a be free
everything will depends on today's match kind of energy
and so objectivity before
patriotism. I say no penny when me say no kure ni a enka say we yim kure ni enti me kan ma no na bia no kure no me twa bani don as media no sometimes they do be obi to me bias na ade but me no my fault to say professionalism na the opinion me ntwe ne ba bia enti Ghana yim team
so you are being objective.
I'm telling you I'm being objective me person ka ye world cup na nkasa kura de ba but say be ye eno ni asem no me Ghana kwaje world cup me ni be je ase na obi akuruma ene nkire se meta wo na mom de ye hu no ne toto ho no ye kan se de yete enti enchi yete fu anopai ne na o mase
odo chia mo na
enti o mo nyina shenka fo ne do o mase pa shen bi a wutwa no pa wutie ne nkopon hia no onyo kese all the information centers ahodo ne nyina DJ Ghana man na ye senior wo ma gbetri station DLFM manesa no pe we bi ade atomo mo amutie fa chichi ne benche all the regions ne nyina ye kasi nyame hira mu nyina papa na no pa onyo mo kese wo store no ma wutie yen ebi adwumam na wutie yen wo dem ho no mo na pe de ye kan se Yankopon chene nsirenso na no pay oma enso wono wabusua so wo kwa onfa nkwa wo ban so a onfa mresu fie asumhwie mu
you kwadwo anapay na me ne atiefo ye hye ye hun kran and some an ye can say it's time for you to cross over it's time for you to cross over now what kind Mark chapter 4 verse number 34 and 35 now Mark chapter 4 verse number 35 and the same day when the evening was come he said unto them, let us cross over to the other side. Kwadwo yede to ye dada system ne ye dada dwumadi ye die mu a. Kwadwo ewiase mu no empanifo sa wote fa ko a ana wote wade so. You need to cross over in life. Abraba ye bono koso atranse ne ye wote a ye bu se de da ye bu wo. Kwadwo minimo bi a watena fie be 15 years die ana me fie radio you good o me fie radio you good o kwadwo it's times I want to hear landlord ni bi ebeye kwadwo at times you need to cross over in life ana me car owner de you good o me yes salesman correct me twin car na be 15 years ni want to hear car owner ni bi ebeye it's time for you to cross over want so we hear landlord ni bi a ebeye we hear car owner ni bi a ebeye afri ye ban ye no bo hasofo kanyesa
sanity
wa crossover e wa brabom because once upon a time now we Kingdom FM you've crossed over to DLFM at times you need to cross over in life also ko ani mu abrabom mentina faako ya sim kro doso a ya ntina faako enje nim guase tanapai na ye hye hu kura say ye ntina faako we will also cross over and make it in life because so when kura sha anapai na ye hye hu na yetu ye hu for
Black brother is saying say there is no harm in trying. There is no harm in trying.
Yes.
And embracing opportunity, there is merit in making the attempt. Even if the outcome is uncertain, the process offers insight, growth, and potential we would otherwise forgo. I believe we should proceed with exploring this option. Black Obreni, we are saying, say now work ana na me ne adihye bi tika mu ewo pokuase na shenkani agaye ba ko ka se na danfo bia wonim ni pa na ne fie wura ne ye good na owo US ene wasi fie kakra ediama no ne hweso akra ha na gaye no na owo opportunities ahodo a na yese nka wotumi esi fie ni bi wo se no ye carpentani that time na adwuma ne ye fine asase no ne bo onye den ne fie wura bibi o ye ma ne nyode che ni free se ne fie wura ne ye good to him nti bibi o de che ne kwa into ni so said ya ne afa ote ho san kakra ni free we ba no pam ni fifio wa se ne bebi obeda mpo eden si ani mabo ya den wa akra ntumi si fie bio abrabo na pascal no openi abrabo no se wa nkentere wo ho a emfa o chenen so got a pointer say the last na make no iso any Jacob emra ne maame ekoda ne papa eji nhira de ma akuma e wo mra na nka nhira se ne papa de ya eninu ya penin de no ne nsanga no asama ne papa eka kire ne ba iso ne se Isaac o se so obeka ntene wo ho de a nkonua no mbe ye free wo metri so sa obetumi akentene ho nkonua ne be free wo metri so ntena meka blaster asem na meka se ye betumi am make history but ni nyina be depend
o se kentene ho
you see black ob no be phone to me nya wa anyi waduane abedi emfiri wonum to fom da metuwei ye wogidie yenim se ye woni pa omokutia yen ye wo ma de yakɔ aduru so say sabe aduyafo nkum ye ntontwena dinsifo kora nse ye bibia black obra betumi aye makosi da ben se odo ho batatwede ye mponyankopon na utu anamon a openi beko wanim enti wa adwene se o medie bibia me woda me comfort zone enti wo ye no openi ebia ho anya wo limit o se o keka ho na wo yere wo ho e bom paye ya hoden adwuma na utu anamon a ebefa abrabode ya na mutuo sa wote ho se obitumi bompa ye tumi kwhye Atwa Mountains e bompa ye saa na watu no storm no wote ho bompa ye obeba no be ye boso miensa na oda so bompa atwanya mianim nyankopon antwen nanim saa openin udi nsem hunu yes udi nsem hunu there is no sense in it won't to be nko bompa ye boso me na won't storm mu ntina say wo twen God's intervention say nyankopon cheche man na those days no toma na free so ba openin ze bi ntobie o wajaito ene se mpa bonko na yede bobra de bia na meka na nka Israel ma nka woka piom na nkom beje yes Jordan se no mu ginam ekwesi sei Jordan ya yenim ya twa Jordan ye ko yanko ya body o Bible ma abo omo hye won enye ni ma na yode mpa boduro de dia na muntu nso ye den edu ba bia wo bompa I'm telling you one two na mo na de opening ba bia atene de de Lumba nwom obekwaso atena wo A B C D nim wo fa be wo media de ana na kwala bi na obi interview no so wunyina be adwuma be wo se minya me nurse of kin wa hwe asa na be wunyina be nurse of kin enti no wo de tra ho
so interested so kodo won say na Yesu e kasa asem ne say let us cross over no na ahum ene etuo
you see
na storms na no ayeden pa
e say na say tebia wo mu no enya tebia ye papa but it say wunya ho keka bi ene nkranhye ne ne odin bi says the says to what course metumi fa de wo mu fi
ahum ne asoche ne beba challenges may rise but it can't stop God's promises for your life
no
what was so true one about
Adia ba ko aye say Obia hye ne so ne say the more na ne mem besesa ho kire beba no na nkumidi bi wo wanim ye me live de bi adia ba ko am hye ne so no se me kwate bi emu odin bi emu na ekwan foforo e bi o manim me ma hye me de yenso me nim se de wo de tie enti se wo kwate bi ahodo emu odin utumi se du ba bi adwuma se ma ye basa sika sam bi bi amfa se nya wo mfum so no want to tuna ma bi ya me dofo e yire wo ho even wo mfum so ba emu kura ne nkire se abraba na pem no obetumi make progress wo dia ne se obetu ana mo no wakentre wo ho opani wo yire wo ho kuto dia se de wo ne ne no de bia last na meka etiti hei eno nkire se ye abrabo no nyina no ba ko ba yenwe ye tiasie nyame nimbe yakopon nimbe bi odi obi aba ye de be kwa kutu abrabo so it's about time se obetumi encourage wo no wa hye bibi ase hye bibi ase
ko de mpani wo kasa bi a wo kan wose ye trente ya
yenya kotuje yemfa chenche I mean
yenya cheswa
na asa yemfa eyi
kotuje
che no mehye kotuje e wo mra yeti etuaso aha enti is about time say yetu anamon woni adwuma ne ma nko nkan fa ma wa ebi adwuma bia wo yeyi wadi enti wuti fie medofo omo nnenam kuromu ye alalala yi wonsene wo mo ne ma bi wo hono ma ene madwuma ase na me degree na kita me na me position ne de me fere se metumi akoy obetuna hwe
tuwana mo
na we Ghana na de futu fry o Ghana de ma se man for office o wunye yeda enye office asem openi gire wo ho se bibia betumi aye be fa chi usika bia enti de bia me de ani die pata ma ye ne especially the nordness wokọ edwam ne adwuma ye din bia ye tan bia mo no motaye but wo hu ni se wo ho no be hu ni se ne ho ye tantantan e wodwam ho ba ko bna opon no ko kire se di fia wasini a ye mbehye
pa
ma me ba ko ton wo ye fe ni se abobulushi market the last time na me nim ni fie na ne baba ko ye madam for ne me ko ni fie o we jo openi bidu horo na message yes sana manfo bobra wusumase otongo e wodwam ho na hu na jese obana se de waya ne hote wona abeka zo we kwahwe aban bi openi mesifie watamasi weja no wo ye mbehye and the payment sister Jiwa. I'm telling you, in Tiabrabone, dear, Sabia Buono, and Oyaquasia, and Nam dear, and Yaquasianam. Dear, make it Yanya Bibi, and Befa.
Whatever storm we are facing today, we should hold on to God's promise. The winds may blow, the waves may rise, but with Christ in our boat, our destination is guaranteed.
Sure.
A whom the baba, as watching the bebo. Amani ne beba konada ne beba atete ne beba but se Awurade Kristo kan ye ho na fe ye kenten ye ho a Awurade betumi aka ho but if you don't live up to expectation enema mu ebeye den ko do pay me da se papa abuja braso 47 minutes after 7 newspaper review segment no ebrenie ko do obrenie Enquiries.
Black Obano pay me nase na yem French yakese me tie for no mutie ebio na yankase yankopon enhyo bibia no pay utie yen na kuaka ta hodo ni nyina ba montene se betu yebo ase na etutu na sere na basa cheche me Ghana fo obia ansa kane de anopay na yenhye kuaka ta mboso odwumedie na se FM free women and leadership kuaka ta no women and leadership ema eni akani the kuakata no yenhwe ne fa etoso enan page 4 edema women and leadership na ode ya mami obo adwuma pa oye senior project manager edema Coastal West Africa project manager edema Coastal West Africa ne din ede madam eye Yeremet eye hello wakasa na sese no wabatai o my Ghana ase ye hwe efisem so me kire interior ministry no into nimnyamfo haluna we ye nimnyamfo Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak ono yo so afo men yo hwe efisem so ono ne ye maame ono ene ye project manager edema Coastal West Africa ye maame madam eye Yeremet eye hello foni da hanom na o mu kire mi se ye maame abetai omega nachi sebe ye betumi ako etia enipa wonom de atuo hyehye wo mo ho ekodi nsem hunu wo man yi mu no etu ahodo a oman Ghana mra ema ho kwan se fadi dwuma no ehu hia se obekitatu unya ho bambo nipa bia wo mam se we were part of the emergency services team enti wikitatu dia kwobobra bia da bi se wutuo no one license na Ghana mra ama ho kwan se fakitade a obi ani uni asem na mum etu ahoto a ekitawa emra ma ho kwan wo modern so ba koma asoye no na wono magye ato se be ye kina omo nkwache man kofa asemba enti mami so aka ho a ye nyina ye boa se be ye etu ekitekitade hye bi wo mayi mu a wonom didi bone no eso betumi ate na Ghana ho ba monsem akoso akwankan ede amayen na yenkwa katafeto so miensa ewo women and leadership kwa krataa ni mu a katafeto so miensa de Dr. Esther Ofei Aboagye ni aba Dr. Esther Ofei Aboagye na ya ma me kirim se ensu a afibia eto a eyiri fa de hia yewo oman Ghana mu no ono no oye researcher NFI member edema interministerial coordinating committee on decentralization na wo kirim se ensu afibia to a eyiri fa nipa wo man mu no enye bibia o enye bibia ni nyina ne se akanie akanifo bonefo yenya wo mo wo man mu na akofa ha de aba akanifo papa yenya e wo man yi mu ntina o James say we calling France reflect years of weak enforcement and public neglect. Dr. Esther Ofei Aboagye we no afibia to a pete ebesi dan ne nso abefa yeko afibia to a eyiri fayen o kirema ya mre wo man yi mu ampenifo bi e wotumi nhwe mfanya adwuma ntra na yabu ya ne aguso empenifo abɔ ye fitaduku wo man yim na de bekoso wo Ghana bia ne mfa obi aho no de yan se busum de obegyina ketua hye ne botomu Ghana ni bewu inso bekum nipa yesi de yesi baabi anya be yiye ni am yesi awie nipa nya se oma permit obe grant permit ni yesi den na esuo minsu agira fa nipa wie na wakwacheche brudo ene yayi emo ne yanwa e de ama nipa ne senje ne botom sika aban sika na wacheche apane baabi atena din ye wi na ebu amanfo den togozi yesi den kobrani hu ye yesi den yesi gatamu yesi den ediasi eye drainage system so yi kobrani de na ni krotua wizi hu ye wanya ho hwe saa me yesi abrosenya wie ni bua ye manso asan akɔtɔ fango e de agua fidi ma fani pa adwuma tua na kase onko bu dantungu oman be ni ye ma me kiremu a eya kanifo bɔne ya omanyanya ne mfie bebre ntem e na ama ɔhawe e da so ekoso omam ne nte saa de yanka saa za binso to yiri fa nipa so de ade ye pose ne yetete nti ni nyina ye mfa nhye Ghana fom toto bola gunsu ɔsenya wo ma enye wo ma se penifo na mamra ya adwuma nko bia ne tumi so betumi ato bola agunsu na wotutum aye be chew nti ubedi na waye bedeja weak system before bia ho ono wanya de obedi a ubewu kura na chiase e na kofa ho yi e dia bante ne yensem akodo no pain me wo fa se hila o man Ghana parliament ho e no bo adwuma den di fra o de ensem e de ebesom yen na yemmongura mu daily graphic wa krata no o de ensem aba o de ensem aba no kira meka say penifo kirema a obesere pa Ghana for me yani na ho pa sa abo akrodom owo no yani na ho hwe ente sa sai internet ne so fraud na ekokoso no ekoso pa ento ho no ma abo wan se wanya alert bi ni ade a opaninya de obehu nyina de hye nyina na yesika o to mbesere se mpanifo gusu ye bi na internet fraud no mo ekon etia nanso Ghana ni a wutie mie wo ho na obi afro me ka safri MTN office o na o sem no we register and we use for how many years we say me use by 10 years only no crepa we di promo we win credit any 2000 Ghana cedis no me yema modern na me ma we number code bi enti gina so na me ma code bi na bo wo phone no so wo ba be kire wo sika no na watimi sika na ya send sika ndi amount di gina so na won so ani brenti ani breye MTN for be che usika na won so wadi so a nap aba hwe ne kakra do account na kire din omu kire mi se momani na ho MTN for number omo de free no 0244 300,000 no pen MTN for number me bo ama 0244 300,000 nti bo 0244 na wo 3 na 0 na ka ho ne ye 5 asa 0244 wo 3 na 0 na etwa to ne ye 5 nti twere to phone so Obia fro na meka safi MT office pen wa hwe na ma na frɛ nti wodi di kan send number no save go phone no so me de chewa no pay 0244 300,000 nti 0244 no abof 0 ne 5 ubo wi ne wa save no MTN office wodi abone sa keke na save go phone so nti obia fro no gasa se o meka safi MTN office a na wa hwe na ma frɛ se na krachi nyima wa fa wi wo fo media na wa ya ne sa na wa fa because himself fraud dey cost to to na MTN for no omo de fa MTN dim na meboa eno a tigo kura de wonti omonka tell is ekro bi amfro because ha man for insurance whisker ho ohunti no kura no ten pay mesre bo modern save na ma no to phone so 0244 300 000 ubo 0244 na wa bo 3 no 02443 no 0 ni 5 eno ano no save wo phone no so na da acho bi fro so ka save MTN office wa ka chance order na se ye onko na ekire din enti ehon sebe na no pay no daily graphic wakata no ede aba ye di bi ede asom we na 80% Ghanaian children under 5 poor under saves the mu chirem zo my Ghana ye mofra e wo mo mfie be ye numu kro no o ham chirem be ye duwotwe no enye o wo ma sitina mu nyam bako je se ne ma ekoso no katafa taso dumiensa enye kra je se awofo ni bi 80% of Ghanaians children under 5 poor under disabled enye sitina mu nye je sa na ko adwuma mfa na adia ba ne sa kom ndra me ka me fo ye na me hwa ba ta bi ne ma awurade nyankopon awurade no me ye wate ye nya bi mfa support o ma maka na daily guide ko aka ta na odi bia ba no pe no chire ma asama ya super ni lean government doesn't add up for taxpayers na dama ngoma hye bedwani aka na o my Ghana na no na hwe ye nsase yakwaye ene efuma gudie tuo so o manyim oniminyamfo Samuel Abuginapo endo do kasa ye kiremu se Ghana mampeni yem papa John Dramani Mahama ene ND Samuel Yoku kiremu se wono no masoafo no sua enti deputy minister we no man sheda anya bisa enti o masoafo ne kakra bi se be yo menye sika na omdi sika na ye adwumaden wo Ghana na Ghana fo afili afam o kiremu a enti asoafo kakra mo fa ye na mo kiremu se lean government no enti enyansunsuanso wo Ghana fo so ana ye o chirima modema no na adom nwere ne bia ngomo mate asoafo no so yes eye no kra ese munya sika na mode somo men so de na ye huni o chirima say lean government ni nyina chire no it doesn't add up Ghana fo nje da hu sunsuanso bia yenya sika munya manfo nya sika mfa nya adwuma ena o man mu aye tintin ni zazabi akwawe asosie so a epesi aka ho ena Ghana fo ntwetwede enti we di obesere o mampeni o man ho moden se sika na wa save no oncheche ma ne party fo no munni mfa sika ni nya adwuma na Ghana fo hunu se yes aban no manfa dom dodo nso maituma ya adwuma ma Ghana fo hunu se yes yesika no mabɔ ho ban na lean government na Ghana fo hunu so mfa so a lean ben no obe lim e dark no odwa pa aka na adwuma eno ya asema eso no pedally guide e de ba ye na Ofowiata secures US green card ajeta unim say o my Ghana ye photo samfo ye sana ahene former finance minister ebe some ye say o my Ghana photo samfo e won fempim ni dunson 2017 that was I think that was on the me hwese menye exact that was on the 27th January na je opepombo so me to so aduonu nson e won fempim ni dunson way back January 27th 2017 obedi penimpa so wa Ghana sika semso former finance minister Kenneth Ofoliata ena empenifo gi ni dibre efiri ni nsem that was on the 14th February 2024 na ye ojefo bo so na to so du 9 e won fimpimi na du ni nan mu na ye se osome ye san finhie ne pode enson 7 years na osome ye na odene osome no ba wi ye mpipia manyokuo no efiri tumi firi wono monsa no ana ND Samanyokuo ba na mu kirem se sika pa Kenneth Ofoliata atumi adwiragu ne botom na Ghana sika ode aye ne huye na Ghana e bre no ahomte te se papa atumi ba bebu nkonta na Ghana fo hu ne modembo ne dwumedi odi na Ghana sika wase no yenye yade na ebeto dwa se e papa Kenneth Ofoliata na hododo ne kakrenti no o US o hwe na pomodi nti obeba ene me na me no kesei sisi abanyi be enya hwe kura no yenya afe ba ko omanya afe ba ko ane abosumi be de se ne ye fa ne se bosumi num temni because ye wo June almost omo take charge e wo 7th what you say nti ye fa ne se bosumi si entemni ene nnefu kakra na wotwe kakra entemni e kire din obralofo ne kirim se ye papa Kenneth Ofoliata we diga na sika bebre so we bu nkonta ene du ba bi na US for immigration e kirim se Kenneth Ofoliata ne nkrata ode wo US wo no ewu ente so mo ye ne back to the sender omo ne ba Ghana na nka je we bo ne bra wa ha bio na Ghana fo bo se ne ne awurade ne banche bongu papa imre na nka yemfa ne nko na agya yemhwe ne nsemu ne nkrata asemu yehu se Kenneth Ofoliata de nkrata akoda USA o extension do munye ne nkrata ma na ndo abetodwa se wanya green card they say the green card ndia on second company citizen o se papa Kenneth Ofoliata e say de akwa US ni mapa omo kirema ezi nkrata ne nsaka no oye dene se ne bodammo oye dene se ne bodammo enti no se no OSP ne papa Dominic ayene ebe esika ya musi agodi ne hweyi mo na mo kan yo se ne sika bi agodi ne ebe fa ne ne asem no US mra nso so ma ho kwan sei obi betumi abechi na de hia free wa ba Ghana US omo mra no ba Ghana ha de ye wo mra se Ghana ni kudi bone obebe etum be fa ne de ne ko wa hu ma na yetimu no sa mra we nyina wa ha mpanifo no ntumi nsa kire mu da US man ne mra untumi nkofa US ni wo ho se wa di bone wo Ghana nti wa kono kuro ma akofa na ba na de na betum wo Ghana ha o mu mfi ukura untumi wu sempo nka hu na kire akwan kura ba kan fulata no kura mpa se de mpanifo kana mpa wa di Ghana sika mpa Ghana hia sika de ya adwuma mo nkofa na mre twintwan yesi ni anya green card na kan fulata so ya sa so wa anya de o ana de mi kan mi bodam wa anya de so ya ni sa de ya wa anya de you see it's about time I am my mo na o man nkwa danim se sika no wadi ampo pani be bu nkunta akire Ghana voe se so was o ni sika bia be bu nkunta ana sa ne de nkratasem adwuma ma ye ni we ne ma ye mi di tum se me empani se otumu fita wa akire ma nya den enku enti brafie ese otumi ba fie ma fe ne pa me pa ko fulata ma fi o kan fulata bruta ese otumi ba fie ya fi no because ko ye ya che ya to abawe ye ko ye ya bura che se ya che unya tumi a wo ye ache ese otumi ba fie kakra be hwe yen eye sika kakra unya yen kare be bie nyuma kra o yen bi ye kra zanka nya bado na de nyina kwatena yi watwi itwi fam za de anze mo ayen te mesre no de emiam kuto dwegu fam ye papa kan folata green card no wanya but wo de abransa hwe kakra na be hwe o men ye ne wa na hwibo ma oye sa ono so wanya de nkonta de sa ro mbe ye de a mo bia nyitumi bi o se munya tumi ni wie na se mu nkunta mbe dwane akwatena US ne Canada ne ade a efiri ne ekọ obia mo bia tumi wa Ghana ha bi o ana efiri ne ekọ ye besere mpanifo mo bi tumi a mo make sure say mo besisi ne hu tokro nyina se be ya after election obia ntumi tuku ankwatena obia krom ana openi de make me bodam I think say no be boa yen yenya to aba ne wiere mo cheche positions na obi obenya tumi bia mo make sure say ye akakra be to aba no munji obia tumi krata bia mfiri ne nsem so ntumi tuku ankra anko ba bia ye wi ne ya yire ne ya bunku ntane nyina afiko ente sa no mu wiere mo kwatena blochire ne ade sa ade na ezo mo diska ne free ana se de mo kana ye no kresa we ne ye it is alleged that musi we diska se for na hwehwe mu nyanto dwa wate ase ne de ha me okonofurata ho ne se adan na ko mafie kakra enne ha me no se oni sika for na ono bia onko to me gazi we diska enti ko mna fie kakra minim de entia ana oba o mehunehuna na da bi so ma no wamra obi antumi mungu so okọ na se oni sika obi antumi vantum o mna fie kakra isi ya de be den because green card na ne saka ne openi e be den pa because onkita green card kra no mantumi amfa na ma nti isi ya de ayasem ko na the source de aba na wo kire mi say MPP to government stop weaponizing state institutions and the Democratic Machine Jombu for mu kire mi say no MPP NDC amanyoku na say kwen omode efa so na enyo o mama institutions bi tumi no mo kutia opposition parties ni say be ya anyame ya adoma 2028 o mbesa di tumi na mo kire mi say da bi adwumaden so na abedu be fa so de nkunimu abatom enti o munya say state institutions bi o mo weaponize no enya fine munyai ma dwomu sem tumi nyina na ya amanyosem okọkọtọ a wasem ya the sense sen ye bebu atia o because na banyaba e de ade a MPP amenyuko ne ma no buafo makaka o madwan no pay na 2026 FIFA World Cup no mo kirem sende Black Stars play Panama today enti ene ho asem na aba no na pate gina ha ba pate na omso wantumi anko na na mo gina picture mo dina ka hu yesi no match no kronto obahwe biaji TV so ana meboa no one fancy last na me kan fia senke hu hia sempeni for the World Cup ne bi no mu se bi agro na media I said it here se pate even kura no psychologically no nema wo famu no oni stable mind ente se mo man rest mpeni fo ye ntie me ana ze sia ne Canada for so mani hurem o mo de kwa pia amfa de ye di agro se match be bo ne nyina wo Canada nko mo ba akokora o se be bi wo US won zizia US no wo no nte ho de betumi abobi na so man bia wona mra yo ono so won hwe ni hu yi ayesa na mane mfa onni abrofo nkwala ni nidi agro bio ha adwen abrofo nkwala na mutum betrapo me yepa zia ama zia pate ne bobo nyina yebasa o ma maka no suya de ewum Benjamin Asale okọ no nko suya de kakra obenya no wo de se pate de na esi atwene so we anam no on a local player wom on se dan ko ba bi sa da nti yutunofo kakru benya de ofa ngogro medam ase na obehu se Ghana so pa abdofo ma ya na esi otumi soma ho obi pa ne sere ne se de na wa muti a onu bedi agro sa na okobo papa na mamya ama na ese pepe ato me mo na abeji hu sika nyina na Ghana fo no so mi ni munya sika na aya mo nware kurum a mo ma wale Ghana fo ana openi de meki kenye Ghana fo ase footballers o munya sika nyina obi an wale Ghana ni o ma ko wala bofo no ma no e de na bibifo yi ma yi ni de wo mo hu ye wo bi nye ma na kura mo ye kama e ma ye mo ye kama se na brofo o me am telling you what's it Bismarck so ba wale bloni na Bismarck de ono brother Nyankopon Jesus Christ Bismarck de ante me frɛ press conference na ma frɛ Ghana ma ya ni nyina mo bia ne Bismarck twempra wa Ghana because said the okas when you be wale bloni ne de ye be ye crusade tia no onko ne abrofo ma no twempra na onwada wo ma na anye sa me frɛ press conference enche na ma yo ye kyerɛ e de tia Bismarck obe wale bloni dia onko ho no ne omo abrofo ma no twempra onni Ghana ni bia ba ntwempra bibini de ma no ntwempra Ghana na onfa sika no nko wale bloni ye mpene abro ye Ghana ma ya ne kama before man ye kama at least mon wale Ghana ma ya na munya abrofo sem no enye fine on ze mo ye sika munya ye nyina e be basa ti patenso ono so hwe ni yie na so aye den sika ba no kaka am se na onfa boga nye so an na ma na so na ho akire na daily guest de aba na wo kire mi say who replaces is Fire Kufu on the Council of State eno so ya asem foforo aba woni mi say aka ne o man Ghana ye tem wo fo penia na obo adwumaden yesom say abedwekuo ni aboafo mutu mampanimfo ye beka de say Council of State no na oka ho ana no dwade na beto dwa say ye ma me kirim say adwuma no bebe wo so maduro no ye enti ono atu no ho ade so anya adwuma no bio de say beto dwa say ni Council of State no hwan e na olukọ replace no hwan na replace ye maame so Fire Kufu former Chief Justice Mfoni Abetanam ye maame Gertrude Alaba Technology aba no obekọ na ni bre ye pass ye gini position ya so wonte ase ne ade no obi say Council of State no obekọ akoye menye sure omo frɛ no kroma na gold board pumps 35 million to reclaim Galamsey revenge forest inti Galamsey nsase ye Ghana fo ya kwaye ne ade a Galamsey ya tena ho mamanyukuo ahodo wa Ghana ni abriska akundi ase no gold board fo akwatam yesika o mato to gold o manya no mato mu 35 million Ghana cedis e de ko akwesiesie nsase na foforo onwu se o man ye yare pa e yale o yatumi atran hwe han em ye tutu nsase na se no yatam 35 million Ghana cedis ye di ko akwesisi nsase no ye kwa kan mu na agusugusu reclamation ene so ye adwuma foforo sika foforo san ngofo mo what ya se Ghana no ye ne ma ye ho kwan se forest ne mon se no na mun tufu magudie no mra ye ne ento ye wi a ye discrim ba kwa ya asase ne yi what you say that's Ghana for you o ma ye tim no ma bia me free mu enye nwanwa Ghana no ye ditumi ye ne bia ndi se no mo 35 million Ghana cedis ekọ ye o ya asase yi ekọ fontem asase na katakata mu na no so wo fom ho nom enti ne ho asamane Ghana no de ye de behunu kura de nye bi kura ne ye nye hu hwe na Republic President about so Foliata scores in US court, but OSP insists Ghana case remains alive. Hey, openi. Papa kisia jaben. Papa yi ba ya kanofolata. Wona na wo ho saa pipi abreso amanyukuo yi bo adwumaden mo ho mka ho a. Amato abane sesan ya pe ne ya den odenkrata ba ya second of net odi kran wanted. Ghana fo abechina ba benye sika shubutum be pimo ne sezi openi anya green card kisi ajaben extra na ya de ne beba say ready interpol no ma ya mutumi fa ne ma ana kisi ajaben sem no kura de minim say ya na tumi ni no woni ezi akura say o de na kokko de say oni tumi kura so betumi abo obi kura kwa du bia kura nko mo je say tumi ne kura fi ni sem kura na on reason won si for ma ya na ho na ho de because ye nyaji prosecutor den free nsem wi waso be show prosecutor nso wudumi mokwa edu dia o de unhu case na fakwa dan ya ban lawyer pani o pa na o de akọ so on pa obeto atwena na meboa na de we mfa so wo so ye say OSP ono no hwehwe amanfo a o ma ye adwuma so mo man kratem de o ye wanje ni ye na o de akwadan abalo ye pe abalo ye pani ni so aban na bo ni din betena ho nti o gyina mu ma aban ana mewa ono ya aban lo ye pani nti nipa no so o de ban na ba mu nipa na se ne hu nsem mu onyi ntontwene o pani wan ka da be koma ye de natum na wo ama mnyokure ni mu aguase o ma bia me firi mo ka pe yes hey that is Ghana for you anything that is here ben MPP te akonwa so no wantumi amokọ adubia no na wo aban na bo din ni wakotena ho no no o be yi ma ban ye be gumi hu fi na wo minyi wadi what you say o maya yetumi ma aban bo eyi ye fe say chief justice say o mampani ni wayi se mi na me pe wo kwotena ho na ma sem ba wo be di atia na wi abetena ho mi wotumi se me ho se banchi tu se aso na say ye di agro Ghana ne de sa ndimi de sa kisi aja mi office ne de be ya mungu no because mfaso ni nyansa bia anim isi atumi kuro ni bi uhu asem na de kwa teni general minister for justice o hwemu a say ye na aban hu nipa obetumi yi ato atwene ana meboa eye na aban enti ontumi nka se kuguna ni mu ase obeyi ato atwene ba bi yanto aba na yi no appointment Ghana no waka no crazy na ho ya hi wo kuro mi sa aba ye de opani yi agi setu o ye mfa ho ba bia no kuro de be kaza de enti o sa so ere mungu ni fro mu se Ghana fozi kan fa so obi ani so sezi atumi ni kuro ni bi kuro mpona batumi ja bo bia ko adu bi enti oto o ye den o de asem ne kokko to ma reject enre ba yo mo de kokko to ma reject sa atumi no o mo mfa man Ghana man pani ka se nke be o mfa man ba sel na okoye ko to na nya ntumi so mo man sa atumi so mo ko adu na oto o ye den o mimi tu bi atani January wana maban o mampani abom dina metra wana se wode maban mu nipa hu asem aba na menyi ntontwene na mafa nkokoto ade na betumi da yeme ewurade nyankopon Ghana ho o mani mu odesi o ka no kura pe na ho waye hizo boa MPP ne ndis ne bekumo yeso de yemfo mo ho kura na the custody kura kata de bia ba na o chire minority flags NDC create loot and share over 85 million agenda. I see this make say NDC am you no. The camera 85 million on my agenda. One person mu che deal. Ayen SMP 85 million you troppable money. And na NDC am you could mpenifo bi cheche suma se se one person mu che dukwa. Enti mu hwe ni yi na mu tu ho na mo ntesa. Won betwe yempie to de afa kon ho apie. De hwe ni yi pa ho sense no pay. Abetodwa de custodian ko wakrata no emum. Yenkwe no yempie mo de chronic ko akata ande biaba ensema hodo a yempapa eye dama ngoma hye bedwane Samuel abugina po betu dwa no ahanso waka ho asem JDM's lean government heavy on taxpayers eto pa Ghana fu tua nya agro yetua nso yehunu hwe ehun sensem no the sanso na Afoko fires up MPP 2028 is up for grabs. Mahama will no more be on the ballot intimike said yempapa Paul Afoko nani abri petumi akoye chairman na dia ma MPP o chimne de say yankopon ya atoma 2028 dia Ghana man pani abato no onkobi Dr. Mahunu Bawumia MPP aton dada former vice president wasanso akwagina 2024 sesi ndisi hwana wonde ne ba hwana wodin ya maton no pen ndi mo hwe ni po maton wo mo de ya bibia de dance Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia said ye tie bia 2028 tumi ne dia MPP modin kunim dada Apple Afoko yempapa enum nsem nie achira na adwen mbedinkunim simple so mbedinkunim simple kra paton de simple kra na the daily statement the aban which say government size must be measured by cost nti ena samara bugina power trend be ya fa bia o trend sa na the Ghanaian publisher the aba say church raises red flag as Chinese developer invade property nti because say the ana de ensema be fia ha obi na hye Ghana flag no yi mo fa ze ba kon Ghana flag pa let's Ghana we na sa fa mo ni be bi fia o DJ ba na kwa ba wako de se wi se no obi aho ye ena no flag na tare o hye ne de na Ghana flag na wa hye no kama papa ayato ba kuma me wate yemfe pa eya na o de kama na to no so kaka na Ghana fo ne hu atare na meka eya fe buta we Ghana flag pe hey lodi ni bi na meto kama pana the national voice the aba say why NDC Sedu Agongo Sedu Agongo mu chire me the opening bonia banetrim bruta Sedu Agongo o mu chire me say ade a wo ye ni eni brenti eni amanwasam tumi nti no o pese wo koje National Lottery Authority na dwumaku a edin da woro mo so me hwe o mu din no kra mo nchire the company ye friend say ye Onassis na sa Onassis company no or the copet to me or the quack contract kesia power national lotto authority no waje ho nyina boso monopoly na national lotto authority to me waje no wadi Ghana chacha sika akra ye wono wakudi ni nyina wonom me dey see omani abere pa mo ti sedu agongo na ni abere ekobo yin omani kro no e wa national lotto authority ho no masi akwaje ta o mapa no hontoma mo so manya wada e be yasem ti Ghana fo mo mani na ho na openipo dintintima we ndi se manyo konum sedu agongo national lotto authority we dinkunim na banya ba o de ne company o nice ho ebo ewura ho no mo chire mu a contract bi a wo sensan no ma hwe ni ya kapre ebedi kakra Ghana ni kutwa lotto kura no di o kwa hwe onya kapre kura mfempi kura na nkehwe wa kwhwe wo no Ghana fo bre brands o madibi no lotto no mbro boys ne bre bruta mutwa na se o mudi number ya ro fo adwuma ebedi mu ho no amekora mu hwe obi anke ba kɔbɔ ma hwe no kura because ntumi mfa lotto sika no so nkudi agrosa ye ni abre the informer ne mfa nso so na dwumedi aka na ntoase vise na Ghana manage na kononti ama DJ Hitman was ne Ghana coach ne kura na ni abre de say krodom no na me wafa ase for the informer kirem say cocoa board defense cocoa price reduction cocoa board adwuma ko de kirem say cocoa price na mo te so nde no kure o man te so anka mo men eye pa abana ya de sesi akura no fufuro ya be no nya de a wotum mu biu ono so awante so nti wa ya de abana ya de pa abana ya de pa hwese Jason so de aba so one me nya adwen say Ghana players ne wale Ghana for na wo Jason wo ba wale Ghana ni ase wo ba wale blue ni Ghana for boys ni nya sika mfa ma wale Ghana for ase one me nya adwen say Ghana ma ye kama eto anufu e shape na ablofo de se Ghana ma wo se ye boys nya sika mde akwara ablofo na sika na kawo ye ufi say boys ne be wale Ghana na nko mu sika na be investment enka boys ni nya adwuma ye se wo so ne be smaka ye adwuma wara ablofo ma me bom pa ye se mu ni bibini ba bia ntwempo na wa Ghana ha se me de maka bi o malo ya bo me wate ba ko ye press conference ko fisu aya time achi Bismarck ni Jersey when Obia ne Ghana ni aba ye bia ntwempo na okuru ma ye chim adwuma e be di mo yani abro mo magana fo ma ya ne bre ma ya compile bo akwa munya sika na mo de akwa abruchiri wo say Obia one Bismarck twempona wonya no obe wale broni Jersey oni obi twempona wonya no obe wale broni odo pepa na kono no di sika na kwa abrofo ma wati bida se ma ka kire mo Jersey ko emu wanza de peso odo na ho aba ya sa asebi nka hunnim ka Bismarck asema wakofa ka hunnim ana pe me di usi na asemu ni fie no de no aba we happy birthday bo na Pascal birthday bi na me mode tell me so na me tama so apa ho me wafa aseba ko ni Pascal do afere se on God na ne birthday o eye asante bekwai eye asanso e ho no wo asanso e ho no wo na o ye pragia rada na ofuribo ati chirim se na danfo pa no nte ne yankopon ya dom na se o de afe ba kon e de aka na wafa se ne den e de Pascal ado abona mane se on God ne mfie ho de a me wafa ase a wo no wo asante bekwai eye asanso e wo ye pragia rada ana panyame nhira o de no nyanso ko kwatenti ne onyini kire no pe yesra de wa ye mpa bo ne se yedie ene ade bias ade papa wasase we se yankopon fa no ne nhira enya mapan so happy birthday once again to you me wafa se Pascal on God ya me nhira no awoda no wonye ne so ko me wafa se Samuel ofuli boaten ene wode e ba na bra ko bra me mfa na se ma ade hie yi ni nyina ne se we special vote of thanks e de kwade ama me wafa mafo na busua mafo family na papo family so mbo modin abeta busua ne nyina echi e omro omode hye omade nyina delete onomo eba omo ma omade nyina Samuel nana kwadwo mafo efri mu last week Saturday no mbo modin abeja ye kama pa e ogba we CP nyame nhira omu nyina ye kase yankopon ema ne nhira emuso mfama wonom abusua ne nyina obibiara oba ya ne kakra obese ne we ne ase ne essence yankopon nhira wonom na onti na nim fa nkyere omu nyina nti we special enase kese pa mafo abusua papo abusua nyina de magana re chombeja wo mayi wo made nyina ofiri mu Samuel nana kwadwo mafo wo ana ne Saturday etwam yi wo gba we CP ya metira nim fa nkyere busua ne no mu nyina kese anopai so mu nyina beta yechi na ye pa de hye no kwabe bakobra fancy
it's kwadwo me da papa ba quick commercial break here ba ye betra so Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bi adwumade so ye basisi ya
Junior, Femne Waso, any Umreka Kra, Naminka, Diofosu Plaza Hotels, Wasimtia One Trail, Sawu Pebe meetings, and our conferences are anyhow because Diofosu Plaza Hotels, a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art. Se a condo, now Pebe, ya Ubenya Diania, and what de Nemo Sham na Pomudi Womwedi, and now Ope and Sapapa, betray Abodronsa, ya so Bogu Minase, and Nipedium by your from Anum Dia, Menja Babia, said Diofosu Plaza Bar and Restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon, ya a memma, any man to Mrs. Wantrini, a fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Ahomikawum, Nebe Sheku, Amoniaje, Echagusa, oh, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, the Dine Papa, in the Padam, the Buso, into Sawope Hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Yeah, Ubenya was soon Jedia. Yeah, Punama, a fair 1-bedroom, any 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, Ubetumini Wabusia Abetinem for a limited period. A fair the Ofosu Plaza Hotel. A Quine a Botan so any attention. Yeah, Nina, Oko Foridia. A bring so the way wa Rase. Any fire service station, no, any dish anymore. So, Denta, you are Fafa, with me a Freya or Mayiso 0530458834 and 0207979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
FIFA World Cup, I can't see any Dusubiemo deal. 106.9, home of legends. That the live commentary ever bro. And to way Akwenya Sawo Sobabo with Jaton dear who the room. It's Ansehano will be at Tonka. Sikaka Krabina Wutia. And to also ya Jumakuna for Peso Bon with Jaton dear who the room. But what they are so friend 0577 475343. DL Passports, DLFM, World Cup live commentary. Joe, it went there.
United States, Christian Police,
Mexico, Santiago Jimenez, Canada,
Alfonso Davies,
Argentina,
Lionel Messi,
Brazil, Vinicius Jr., France, Kylian Mbappe.
It's official. DLFM 106.9. It's a brand new day and time to tune in to your number one breakfast show on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
With your host, the one and only Hitman.
The one and only Hitman. News, interviews, newspaper headlines, current affairs, Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. sharp.
Start your morning right, stay informed, and get inspired. Only on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. DLFM
106.9.
Sunday down, superstar.
Don't mind your man can't try.
Yeah.
Don't mind your man can't try.
Yeah.
DLFM 106.9.
Anyone me go mami yo. Anyone me go papa.
Yanko yo want it. I'm on reference. Yanko yo want it. I'm on reference. I see you pa. You got different tone. You got taken tone. Make it done. See you pa. You got different tone. You got taken tone. Make it done.
I see what
money some coming dollars.
They call me a
money some coming dollars.
DLFM 106.9.
Coming dollars.
DLFM 106.9.
Some coming dollars.
They call me a
It's a weekend. I'm a fine yeah. I'm in fear. I'm in fear. It's a weekend. It's your day.
I'm Jim Lanza.
It's your day. My nature, my nature,
DLFM 106.9.
my nature, my nature, my nature, my nature, my nature.
Yeah.
106.9, 26 minutes after 8 a.m. here. And it's a beautiful Wednesday morning. Although Kaswa said we are banana yedian can see the Akano. And the one man can dry the papa. Well, I'm saying special good morning and come out pampered wife. I'll pay what Johnny alive. We're social media platform. But I pay my minimum didn't come out. Give a speak up source. During my church ejaculation, sexual weakness. That might be also to be now. So I don't know why he catch him said doing confaja to more Germany, papa. I see. I give a speak up source. No, papa. What is the Kayo about what the end I was so to meet you? I want to meet you. Just say, Mobo. Give us speak capsules, Babwa. Yeah, they give us cold capsules about very, very effective for waist pains. Babwa, papa. Go quiet, Timmy, how one, no drone on. And you give us cold capsules. Give us a balmy strap. I don't know support your immune system. Now, could malaria, typhoid, and I feel jaundice. It boosts to appetite, but also to me, TBD. Rampedy 40543222 Give us speak up sauce, give us cook up sauce, give us a balmy strap. Experience the ultimate in comfort and luxury with your Fosu Plaza Hotel. You can afford you at the Chimna for Butansom. And would actually see a dental for her. Comfortable luxurious rooms for her. Conference room for all your conferences. Mount Sanka. Fosu Plaza Hotel, one number up. Now, if you want to see your reservation, from 05304 58834 020 7979 461. Come and experience the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. Your Fosu Plaza Hotel, where luxury meets comfort.
So
I am made the super 29 minutes after 8 a.m. here, and then you will quad and pay. Jumadi and the mother Black Stars of Ghana, and then Ghana versus Panama, and yes, some Kitrakra. And we have a full house this morning. Arapai Shaba Kojo Samibi Waha, Flexi, or Wahine, TikTok president, all the way from Germany, and pay Wajoni. Physical trainer. Coach Leonard and so Ewahanoma and pay ye baba bedin komo but an obey my memonium way a nyuma dad Lumba a boy at the mother Black Stars of Ghana yaba ye bedin komo. Stay tuned.
Tonight, shine about the world so high, like the stars in the skies. Hey boy, you can be the star tonight, shine about the world so high, like a diamond in the skies. You can make it, Black Stars if you want it, Black Stars you can win it. All you need is to believe it. Make it, Black Stars if you want it, Black Stars you can win it. All you need is to believe it. It's your time. It's your turn. It's your time to rise and shine. You can be the star tonight. Shine about the world so high, like the stars in this sky.
106.32 minutes after 8 and I'll page media the mother Black Stars of Ghana 9-10 times wa mame kwa man so na fe me former coach, former player of the Black Stars of Ghana, Coach CK Akono Edi Enkomo Anope. Coach CK, good morning.
Good morning.
Na Anope what pom to say?
Anyadumo.
Ede nyankopon ase. Nyame adom coach yenso ye ho ye papa. Well, coach, as someone if you and one kasa Black Stars, the Black Stars of Ghana, World Cup against here Ecoswo, Ghana versus Panama. Coach, who much you say?
Match difficult tennis game. Match everybody expect from our side of the story, say Ghana be winning, but it's not just like that. The atmosphere around the team, the issues surrounding the team in Emma, I didn't get tough and difficult. But Bibia, it's deeper, it's a match that will have no excuse. A match very let me use my words carefully. A very important match I would say and winning. And that is what makes it difficult. Ghanaians expect our team to win because we don't have much information about Panama, what they've done in the past, what kind of team they are in Panama. So if you don't know these things, then you look at the dynamics and you say, oh, Ghana is a footballer and winning. But it's not just like that. But Bibia, we can if we do things right, we can win the match.
Okay. So coach, as a coach, match you approaching the same.
It goes beyond football. In the sense that the coaches have to look at the opponent very well, what they are good at, what they are not good at, their weakness and their strength. And if you do all those analysis now, you will have a solution. You will have an idea of how you want to play, how you want to go about this game, and how effectively you want to control the game. These are the dynamics. But if you ask me how, first of all, I've not really assessed the Panaman team. I don't know them that well because I haven't followed them. I only follow my team, which is Ghana. And looking at how we've done so well in the past,
months, and to get to this, to be able to qualify, no, you look at it and you say, oh yeah, they have to win. But having assessed the opponent very well, this goes to the technical team, and I think we have an able technical man who can do a very good job. And I strongly believe that by now they have what it takes on the table to do it and win the match.
Okay, coach, idea about who are Ghanaian say observe about the Black Star team. They say, idea you consider late goals, and a year round World Cup, you know, late goals, you know, you better avoid this idea.
It's very important to be able to play without the ball. We don't have the ball, you have to defend well. Okay, and defending well means 90 minutes, not just 45 minutes. You said they concede late goals, and that means that they will have to do offensively what they have to do to be able to get the opponent, win it convincingly, and defend well. It's all about that. If you don't have the ball, what do? You protect, you defend very well. So they should be able to play without the ball in a very, very positive way, and make sure that they get the ball back quickly and then play their game. Ghana has to be themselves. They have to be able to play, express themselves very well, and with confidence. And yeah, they have to play and be convincing about what they want to do. That is a major thing that the Ghana team has to do. If I'm an outsider, I'm a fan like you. This is what I would say. They should be able to play without the ball and make sure that they attack when the opportunity arises. For them to attack, they have to attack effectively and get the necessary results.
Okay. Coach, I pay that's Papa Pana answer now. Me was surprised to be the mouth. Hold on now, Afi. On the one kasa. Coach, hold on.
My best coach.
Yes, sir.
This is your small boy, Leonardo Akuto, Mr. Fitness.
Mr.
Fitness.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. Hey, are you in Ghana? Normally you went to Dubai, oh?
Yeah, I'm in Ghana now. I'm back.
Oh,
yes.
Nice one. What a surprise.
I hope to see you soon, coach.
Sure. All
right. Coach.
Thank you.
Right. Coach, and that's a papa pass on pay when you're being come. And congratulations on the winning leg and so what baby I want to. Yes, that's a papa. Your friend Charles Kwabra Akono, aka Coach CK Akono, and a pay in the Dinkomo. And then the Black Stars of Ghana versus Panama, and Hunkomo, and a Yedi. Leonardo Akoto, your fitness coach. Ghana have players do one fitness. Now, we be video be a circulating with social media. Now, Ghana, your number one Benjamin Asari. No, you training, no about Papa, and at the Benjamin Asari, yes, I training, and I pay. Fitness coach Leonardo Akuto Ewaha. Flex your one here all the way from Germany. Or no swajoni and I pay. Ishaba Kojo Samibi Wahana Kofitela and so Ewahanum. Coach Leonard, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na anope wapom to say.
Me pacho bibia boko nyamiadum.
Ye den yankopon ase. Yes, we are papa. And I pay a transfer one the Black Stars of Ghana versus Panama. Your team players you omo ya fit there. Akoya fitness coach.
Okay, me pese me fa konya wes na me chia etifo ni ahwefo yi na me chia Obia. Make say so far the training now me share ye the players ni film in the players no for me I would say 100% they are very fit. Make say they are very fit 100%.
Oh, me 100% fit.
Yeah. Me 100% fit.
Okay. Now as a fitness coach, your tournament, what are some of the things that was a players in the year? And abuse so and just war now you to the very best from the players.
Okay, so far no tournament say no every player fitness coaching the players if I want say Baba starting main training now team say no fitness coaching the players drills maybe some 15 minutes it be 20 minutes and some players now come discipline until we know depending on training after we are coaching in the Ombeye. Into fitness coach more often you be ABC training, agility, balance and conditioning and coordination. When very very important. Say fitness coaches in the place never then. Ebefemu enono eboa omu speed. Omu action reaction is anke kahuni na eboa to prepare them to the next training and for the tournament as well. And also gym work. You say Blaster players no more gym work ni sanke kanwina ni na idea here omo ye they support boys no.
Okay. Yeah, now personally, when I would trade Benjamin Asare.
Me and I training Benjamin Asare. Boss.
And I know some training players maybe. Who are some of the players personally what train you about?
Oh, personally Stephen Appiah is one. Prince Tego is one. Sule Muntari is one. Richmond Bwachiadom is one. Amudosun late Christian Achu is one. And I'm Yankasami body Bernard Benson also is one. Abe is one. Players in there Omodosun pa Omodosun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ghana for din komo and they and come Ghana for din is between Benjamin Asare, Lawrence Atizigi. Who should be number one? And I know say onya bias there, but personally, why na number one for my kwajo some be zu bebe say one or one sem kapa pa who should be number one today?
Okay, although say me share two goalkeepers now. Me make say tournament where I kono, I think we have one of the best goalkeepers in this tournament. Yeah, and the goalkeeping department, I like the way competition are very tight because for the past years, ABC or Ghana had that, like we are debating about goalkeeping department, see. And for me, I'm happy say Asare being the local based goalkeeper, the modern ball share you qualifies for the World Cup, the matches goals are considered also a few and occupy some kind of clean sheet in history of football in Ghana entire year they ANC sir and aside that also personal training I mean the FM he's very hardworking guy in the American and he very hardworking and very disciplined, so I'm not surprised that he's the only person or to me break into the team. To me me make say both goalkeepers are fit to be in the team. Both goalkeepers are very fit. And I can't say Benjamin Asare should be the number one or Atizigi should be the number one. The goalkeepers trainer or known as say no boys no war Ninima Debia or Shaw Montino. He is the best person to choose who will be the number one. Nipo be number one, we just have to support that person because we need Ghana a bumpire. But the most important thing is, Mama Yen Kase now I say I've been seeing some comments and other stuff on social media. I say no Blaster no we are some message when say Copper we are trying
DLFM.
to support players but not the team. I've seen a lot, yeah, supportive player, but yes, a supportive team, Say we ni nua ana ni brabo. Na se on boa na we bon pa se on committing blanda ano ye mistake ye hia ne aka se we na o se sade ne hati
ano na nyum tuni bi to nyum se wadwen bone se reserve player se reserve player no ano ne pa bo nyina ne se wo be no trokan ne you afim no so abobobi
yeah no I affect team no I affect players no because these players go on social media all the time, they see those kind of comments. Yeah, under 20 they demo time Work up no omukov JN and me can say be and you said they are good and you said they are good but the team spirit no sometimes but to me can say player win ball because oh I'm not feeling fun but say we ball
players now
yes players now because say oh coach and then say we ball that is the team spirit like wait the bench call bump say we on boni so the team spirit no and in is the most important thing.
Coach Lona, do we have that team spirit in Yobi?
Okay, say no, media minimum ni camp so I can't say.
Now from afar, can you say was that team spirit?
Yeah, I can see something because if you see the way they mingle, they communicate to each other, like as I was so many in the casa, most of you say Charlie Morane will come to there is very solid and like it's long time I own this kind of and don't forget say Stephen Appiah. Inti as time goes, Stephen Appiah Obia on he's a legend, and those time no like on my place na ya compata that love no inti me sure say as only place near then ekasa. So I can see say that kind of love, is there. And today's first match, I believe say we are going to see that kind of love and support and endurance on the pitch.
Right.
Until goalkeeper's trainer Obia or the betum there, you support the person. It mean say Asari number 1 and Atizigi number 1. We are supporting all of them. Me, I am supporting all of them. Although I've not met Atizigi in person, but there, he's doing very well. So Obia the betuma Ghana be. That is it.
Right. Could you be more kakra na Coach Leonard Watenenka, personal trainer for Benjamin Asari Anopay, wa join here live ewo dwumadi no so and the one common ekwo no wate de ekwo but an personal worker was a tournament na de ye betumi anya F1 ne Panama de aka de betwa for yebo so Anopay na aka sa
Rakobra I hope so tell me nka
me te won ka yi papa
better me inchia wetie fo anopai na yemo makwaba na coaching so ase na dwumoden a obode support yen local players and international players and tete ori atete omnyame nhira wo mopa na o mana hoden na ene ya match na ho mempa e bone say de bia me ka me say Ghana nka ye kwaji World Cup no kra ba fi a ka ye mempa bo nyina no but enya de ebisi and that is a reality on ground we need the ana no kra na yempe Ghana yentumi nkwaji World Cup with this team
objectivity before patriotism.
That is the reality on ground. To menje work up.
I see.
If you qualify from your group no crown, me who is say just 30%.
30 over 100.
I mean chira wade.
Chira me.
Work up no. England team na na ekọ no. Waje once pe. That was way back 1996. 1966 rather. 1966. And the England je World Cup on GBO. Na ni abere seja. And we team ekita na ye die ya openi emfa. Yentumi no mo match. Oh yes. What the emfa player to player.
Could you also have the men?
Yeah, but men ben. Ghana player to player the match England team never won.
Could you also have the men?
Opening
they have that 27 years.
At 27 years now work and one echo passable na man so on question. Ghana team enya bo bia boni dey. You see, let's face the reality. Your team no me pese ye na de ya Panama na de e se ya win. But let me tell you something. You Croatia match no. Croatia match omu team ni sa na ye se.
But say more England kra no wa jump to Croatia.
Me try de me ma your teams ni ye Croatia no. Player to player. Ye ka player to player. Ghana any England e match emfa. Wo de opa yi anto ansem nyanko afirim. Na players na aka no ho abio na Ghana player biem de ginema wo.
Ko de fatal shakumu ho.
Oh penin obo first division e wo England no. Leicester City relegation team. I'm telling you. Jordan relegation team no obo. That is the reality.
Your captain.
I'm telling you. What they are comparing team no Foden any your friend is saying your friend saying Kopama. Who we say yanka Ghana ha no man your best players in the world. England and 4 man ko World Cup no. Ghana ha and will be a senior player na your pampa no.
Kojo. Sir Antoine Semenyo so no. Say ade anka wa naturalize the England and England for so the World Cup.
Me try we say Antoine Semenyo ne de. For now country bia no wa Antoine Semenyo won the team obe bench no. A top notch player Obia de nebeko. But so you see nchen your players na aka no. Me mu ye bam but when to me fan compare England team nekita na me sana me ho no. Forget the same so be ye ye England na ma so nye hye. Pe team nekita wo mo na ye die no. E ye den se e be hye England. Croatia on. Omo je work omo kọ ball omo I think omo to so 4th. E 1998 World Cup no moto so 4th. E na 2022 moto so saying 3rd. World Cup ye call Wakatai. Croatia team na ye say ye be share mo moto so saying 3rd. Ye call saying you to me qualify from a group. With the players na ye wo ene ade ye ntumi. Ko feature mu nyina ba obi o. Amfa. Ene ye free mo group stage bet na be dwene ye ho. Se team ye kita Ghana na ye problem no. You see Ghana team na ye wo no ye problem nyina ye divisions wo team nim aya na dodo na mpanifo no bo ntumi nka ba some of us ye beka divisions wo team nim wo ba ko na we camp we nya bowa on pasema ni nua I call remember that was 2014 Resina Samoji yi ne ho senka John na yum pass na ball na ya ni Germany wanya da obabo say no because ni nua de da you
kojo enya ni team possible bo say no
wo say oh openi bona ye bono player we yi ni ho atumi say wo lay pass man no wo sha enya o personal glory o senior cars mo kan say teamwork by any ye ni team spirit no bono obi ananzo pese wo bono ogidi no ka say ono no wo ye good sa na ye tie entimi to me ni de ene ye bom pa say yentumi qualify yentumi hye Panama but sa Croatia team no ene England de openi pampim ene be ye den see Ghana betimi ehuratra that's for say
ye pese edi nkunim ene match ni approach ni say
ene say Benjamin Asale ne ye friend Artiste Gina Tigizin ye hu ni wa ye World Cup da that is the reality ye hu bi da empenisi de ye hu ne de aswati ne hu 2022 de ne hu ye openi 2022 de ne hu ye
hold on. Obi so beka say experience is the best teacher.
By experience in the day nya.
Wa World Cup ne pay.
Wa ko bi pay no what was the results net saying. Ya de ne kwa ya 2022 World Cup na ya de ye friend say unu akoda mu no. Bisa ho say e bodies year qualifiers no. Asari ada saying 5 matches. I say one go pen I think so consider ye. And when you clean sheet saying 4. At least give that saying. Or there are 2. Waje 5 goals. Opening to ye compare no to keeper so qualify them and when I said the team. I didn't tell a local player and the team no to make 6 at Izigi. Omo to be 6. 1 match. What you say? You see it's about time say young cano crane try your home. Any panable local league. Next about to the nada. Yaman na. Nenya say where you exposure by 2022. Then at Izigi your opponent. Ya who you push out to bana un ya dem not strong. Yes. What you say? Ya ni abre. Medium pesi akwaje World Cup no but sempanifo no betumi ama o majai o mu players o mu fixe o mu na me ha no DLFM mpanifo bia oni player wo team na ekọ no playerfo no bia woni de enti obi pese we bo wini bonus nti yanim won no man ko fa player yempe anhye ye kon de because baba Rahman so akobi na ye den obetumi abobi and nya asema baba Rahman de openi kay team yi de on fata so dem
kojo hold them me no
oh nya mame come on openi
kojo anapa ye di nkomo en nkomo aye bo nyina no se wo ma ye team yi be fa ne ntoma pafra na ne ye ne Panama kansie no so akoyim na wo hwe position baba Rahman ebo this year statistics no over head than omo mo nyina
oh head than hwan oh nti your best player ne baba Rahman no as to one bubble defense na no friend match ne so hwebi
and the nenge
born dey mon fast start into baby opening ne Ukraine se see Ghana born na yakobo na me can reality a kire Ghana ne a wotimi anopai ye ni defenders papa bia wotimi ni mu ye ni bi
ye ni dependable defenders
ye ni dependable bia you see a midfielders na kura ye ni kofi kire praye na ni zan ye kura nka pateni kudus be ye bibi kudus nka ho pate na visa ho sensem no wantumi anko bi se si Ghana hwan na ekọ hodi ya Mefred no
minim sa wote
sa boss hwan na
wote sa jiku epra me yo help her
I'm telling you not so na your best player for now Ghana your team no your best player darling boy kudus what can your defenders no be your good power defense ever since I national team blasters Johnny Mensah any Jonathan Mensah mo free team ni mu aye hu say o ma free mu no obi e benya dependable defender juku do oseme bo na onka nkire me juku ya blaster bobo na mfampo juku nkuto de obebo the defense come the amount solid team you onka ho say see hwan na ekobo 5 ama Ghana se do de den ya won defend ma yen Mefred one hwan na ekohodu Mefred na ma yen say your team no Mefred na aye stable ama yen na yetuma your offensive midfielder opia ball na ko say ye ni bi enti ball na ye ball ne de me nka say yenhye Ghana me bom pa say Ghana kra beje World Cup no ba no kra ne say Panama match ne Ghana fo afa ne say fo enyefo ye betumi anwe ne but ye nya ne easy but ye wi a Croatia ne England ne de I'm telling you kra last stop yentra
o say kra last stop
England and Croatia match no ye kra last stop yentumi ntra there's no way ze betumi ahye wo no Croatia kra draw be den
okay
I'm telling you my opinion no the born the World Cup na yakọ and na ye betumi afa win and no cry dem ma ye ye di agro betumi abodro and na match ni yes me say me can reality dey me hu na meka entinya say me ye Ghana ndi say me ade na nya kra na Ghana ye be hye no me hu ni say team na ye de kwan dey enya the best team a ye betumi anya da reliable players e be ga so mama Ghana fu ani age nti ubedi di ntem ubedi dia di ntem
okay so match 11 p.m.
That be 11 p.m. no so be to me ye fast and after match na nso didi what you say only dintem born there is like say betumi awe ne be den and to say menyo no obetumi aye de obeyo ban why na dey born e command Jordan nyo betwe asa de asan
cuz don't forget say we Naki Williams
Inaki Openi, Inaki a good player, but when was the last time Atletico Bilbao no crown? When is the last time Bobo now? Nancy and for prayer and so back I will prepare a crania. They are 2022 World Cup no Kubu. You, Bob could be a keeper, the boy got to Waggy, your Kojan now go to power effectively. You had never national team, you may say, Naki. Numbers or Dema Atletico Bilbao no Ghana maybe. Maybe when you say but could be my share go, ya crash president. And one. Openi, enti, you were you my work up on a but to me, party, I mean, when you say, work up on the to qualifying track group stage.
Right.
Me that's how for say.
Mate me that's papa in Shaba Kwadio Samibi. Flexi or one TikTok president all the way from Germany and I pay Wababa Besai. Or for microphone and I pay Yendim Kuma and I know Kasagu man afi Yentoka Akwaba.
Yeah, bro.
Na bibi aboko dia. Yeah, the hani butu wona ofi Germany. Aba na pe beton komo iswa and the Black Stars of Ghana versus Panama and then the topic of the day and I pay Yendim Kuma. Maji uhun say
yeah.
Na Germany is also to say.
Okay, I no pay me den chaso nkobema woni watifo. Na madam was the opportunity amudi amame say me so me mechire madwen kakra. Na Germany dey boko that dey ya. It say ya. Said you wo enyansafo ha no. Sa na wo enyansafo e wo Germany. Na nkwasiafo so ha na sa na wo nkwasiafo so wo Germany.
Ko do asem komo obo na ye o de papa.
Ni na so be mo ni ada.
Nkwasiafo
pa. Na ena etu kwa na de nkwasiafo no bi wo majority. Enti me den chia sonko e de free Germany na e de bre woni ahwefo ne watifo ne adwuma pa mo ye ne ha. Na
ya know someone for DLFM ndi agro.
DLFM de Hamburg ya gia tumpa.
Ana titu dadi Lumba nyom so de.
Dadi Lumba nyom se wa wo hwe de ekoso a nyobi na be ka.
TikTok president.
Na wo hwe party a hodo mienu no so a uni ba bia obi agina. Enti de station ye fe ni agro kora.
Right.
Enti adam asene munyuma pa mo ye.
Ye
hwe mo pa ye tie mo pa. Man ya de juju ni wo o man mu. Enti no bia ba de ne ye be chia mo. Na ba blaster so e de na kakra me kan say me ni hope me ni hope ball match na ye boni nyina mu. Enti me de me always be I will make sure say me di meduan ye wiansa na Ghana ball match say be ya
be di wiansa
ncheme
send kitten
ncheme yeah
me ni say woni hope team nim
David hope dem ni ba akokora me ni ba akokora ho
Brian no share other countries in eba na nyina ho share o share France team o share Brazil team o share
America for ebo
o share other countries
Africa
na na wo say anya hwe kura ne team bia country bia o player bia be 2-3 players bia do
ye ni bi
and to say manya numbers na kura de Man City Ghana Blasters na odi mai wo de bisa ho san to say manya wo so a Man City no che Man Blasters
ko adan obi ka se mi a che wo say Antoine Semenyo o wo City a o ya Antoine Semenyo
I'm telling you
Obaga no ya Antoine Sebafia
your problem no edu de den a players betumi asore Mbappe edu de den obehye ne go ama Brazil benyo obi obehye Argentina Endra Messi wo ya den edu de den a obesore but ye team ni ye nibi Antoine Semenyo no aye hunu wo City no enye City na obo no o mo bo no hwe Haaland mo ne ya de board be ma na hye enye selfish o mo bo na se team ba ye de no your bonus individuals me share na ma Jimmy Dean anya hwe kura na yetumi ko botto na
always be a person min kumi
what you say obi tumi ka say World Cup no kura no o pese o board number of matches na ye ka say ono na the whole Ghana ye ka play wa board number of matches ono na wa bo penalty the whole kura na say obi na ebo show ko gba kan numbers ho na ono waje na nim nyam na o ma na edi nkugo enya za na ye te
the flex your one so no de obedi di kura sa
flex and kitten because
mani de ye
kojo de o ya na so ofa yo baby so
da bi be pese ye qualify by Eden
some dem akoma pe ko to say Ghana o da bi
ofa akoma to
en kitten be cheme en kitten be cheme zimi da me hwe bi kura o nya say me hwe na me ten na medidi o me hwe bi kura
kojo sami bi what the park na china to bobem wo say ya den ya
me say na ya den ya artiste gina mo de na betum
Enti unim say South Africa match yo mo boy ya na Ghana fo ase ye ni agya na ye dwuri say ya share South Africa na I am surprised. Hey, yeah, more your dear. Ubi akubone dear.
Senior, are you from South Africa for the end? Me kura na me crusade me dano. Wo mo koyo mo de ada African countries. Okay, Ghana almost any. Ba mo ye de na say 20 bobo. South Africa consider one go cry okay. Ha mo na mo sabi nsem hu no mo di yenti ye nya bre ye work up na say mo cry. Yo person mo hye wo mo keke. Because as so den na ma hwe yes ade ni abre.
Okay. Coach Brema.
Affect you mentally.
We get it.
Because football no, your mental toughness is the first priority. Ball no be unimbo. That's a mentally you are tougher, eboa. But because of all countries stood against them, no, it affected players the mentally. We won't say after the match, no, as soon as we soon, yes, we lose. But because of backlash, hatred among for a moment, now lose. I'm gonna say you mama. So trust me, that same mentality, no, affect you, no. I'm gonna be called on next game, and it will affect them more.
So lose more
because football no say basho sana, trust me. Mentally no was you are weak. Football is more of mental toughness. Into me asari no say me training na me boys na me train me na I add mental toughness. Me training and yes a pitch no sun mistakes are most of the coaches say when we come to player development any coaching sana we only do with the pitch that be pitch no it's only 60%. Outside is 40%.
Okay.
Into as a player no as a coach no who training player my player no say enye team bia mu na obekọ coach bepe wasem. Okay, so coach no hate you. Say now so yeah how would they adapt that coach strategy into as time goes on nyama boy no remember coach na then ape wasem by force. Into mentally no you have to prepare the guys mentally.
Okay, so coach, I'm looking from afar no your players now are they mentally prepared?
To me dear I've not got closer to most of the players. I've not got closer to them.
Go for the class as a Jamano doso dodo.
Oh, Dabi Jamano.
No, you who's a Messi Monet, Ronaldo Momo, yes, but that's yes Jamano do.
Dabi, yeah, Jamano. Yeah. Sometimes ubo nkwana so start say ushi Jamana. Kele say spirit no. So as for the Jamano they will say jai players no musi that na refresh on my mind. It's part of the game.
What's the sheno dodo?
Dabi say it's part of the game. Sometimes Jaman kwa be shia chale kanu no kwa infifre be team no I say why you warm up we will go to the place.
Abrofu one mo shibi so sha no mo she.
Inti almost so that be e bia almost style omo de ye. Ba ye de pen ya ye hu. Ba omo de bia ye ntwam ba nti ye hu. They have what they do to motivate themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, when it comes to the game. Inti me the next game ni there. Me Obia whenever I'm going to the match time I work otoko say no time na minimum so ko need
and young cat here for say once upon a time na coach Leonard a fitness trainer Fabio Gama Ghana papa any training no
wow
in time I me work otoko no all the defenders no me when I'm coaching a team defenders are my first priority because even if you don't have good midfielders, if you don't have good strikers and you have good defenders, you can win matches. And then because same way, you can win matches. Into defenders now, whenever say a training we are, me first our defenders no, SMO special defensive drill. Me or draw some defenders, me or draw some midfielders, me or draw some strikers. And the midfielders no, they are the people who does the say about 90 minutes we are. The midfielders cover about 15 kilometers. Midfielders ni peneye players cover 15 kilometers. Other players cover 11, 10. Any county the midfielder no, you have a lot of work to do. Yeah, into about the defensive side most of the matches are when me I don't believe in we a professional or you're exposed. I don't believe in that. Me I don't believe in it. Or be a gooder or you're good. Who share goals are defenders consider our World Cup we are because now we say we both team kese we o but ebe won as a local player on consider sagos no o share say most of the defenders no me dey make say the player on the ball is never dangerous than the one going for pass but o share a match is no say defenders now focus on the player on the ball o share in Senegal game ABC all of them are focusing on the player who is on the ball no defender no who be a you nipa ni taking off no you have to follow him no or share ball no ene go na ye ko ene e share no wo ba ye blaster mbese mpacho we dem mbese obia insu ade we majority mbese most of the sports journalists they have to take asema babeka say ya
okay
when your game against Wolves no okay born far Babarama side now say be share go no okay sometimes maybe a player developer and in same CCR we have goals are criticizing one player and we have goals are share criticizing a whole players okay Sago na say Babarama no okay fine people may have issue with Babarama say how they break into the blaster and they are different but say you ban go na you share na senior first goal no na a fee touchline oh mistake on also your on is a time na player no anka ye benya video na ka time na player na taking off for the first ball no anka was say o close no that was the first movement also here all the time it's good to close the player because player na your man the ball na or advantage or betting but who close na or che ball na or sound the ball the bad then sound the ball the best sign into that was the first mistake or then or yeah when closing into manipa na jibon na say then okoye and he was easy to check okay fine yetwin Babarama we no the air me nwanwa still minti ase ni biom ni say say mistake was say corrected we have guy no share goal no who's guy no share goal no he was in between four players about football ma your friend inferiority your inferiority and superiority 4v1 which means no superiority no is more than omomu player no inti anka was say back player then etale the pano forget about the ball say defender no back etale player no ba mu no ma jai sa player no because on crabble no Hurricane if Hurricane is on the ball he's not dangerous but if Hurricane is not with ball he is dangerous because a can space only baby obe cause space I will wadwin down so space pana the ball na mano until if our defenders will still keep this mind say and will say yeshwe ni pa the ball na ba sad any there or say you correct some mistake and yes they will keep on repeating that kind of mistake. The one on the ball is never dangerous than the one going with the ball. Right. The moment striker be our by 18 and before our two goalkeepers are good and me I don't believe say you be show me long range go sir e be consider no it will be inside 18 and the 16 yard one. Until striker be our by 18 na on crab or poor they have to police him. They have to or say you jinane so ball ni ni won cross so be jinane so. It's very, very important, and the defenders have to do what? Plant their legs and lock their knee. Our defenders, once say now we can some let go, be only Siki Akono, because Siki Akono can let go. Awareness. Our defenders sometimes no awareness no. Move from kakra, so that thing too is very, very important. So coaching them, and then the defense they need to talk to them more.
How many defenders in Kasa?
More than any other. Defense no
yes, see the best way to attack is to defend.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. And ball no so no I was saying na then or players no do yes omudo mu na shame no laziness obi cause o cover man communication very, very important. Very, very important. It was so obia and we shouldn't allow them to start from omo you lose bono, we have to start pressing. Pressing. Until they say inside there, BBA be fine. And the Panama they were saying some 2 goals before.
Okay. If you bring quick one after Yama callers in the Brem na flex your one swap na ya hwene sorry so.
Hitman na me pesen buza coach so here almost set Babarama na pa na say because 4 players na kejiri na yetimi the ball na ka go set up. Kana Enye me the way I'm man for bash no means me a player I'm a defender but no there no one player pair na twi no ye Canadian no na players 4 na ba ko no share go no omo dey come asem o me ene na say no eya me nwanwa na enta me car previously say thank you share ade we say mu share sa video we 4 players so 1 2 3 4 They are all watching the one on the ball. Yes. Obia Jano. Obia focus if you no so, and he's the dangerous man. He's the sophisticated man. Obia Jano. In a yeshe ball no. Intimi Bibi say the one on the ball is never dangerous than the one going for pass. Why people are not blaming these 4 players? Please, senior, I was say Baku. Only nipo so close no. First guy we oba ball so. Thank you because baby oba no it's not necessary.
Okay.
Also no opinion. Yes, they need now because the other left side in there all close.
Okay. Right.
What I say about omu no more then omu jai
okay.
Na omu focusing on the ball.
Right.
And no one is blaming these 4 players. They are blaming only Babarama. Me per se side way interview way a trendy on social media.
Mate, coach, you better not trendy. Yeah, for course, 0593. Kofi, yeah, my call us in the brim.
Me say, I was say yetimi demo na tema way. On bonra camp on cancer adwini we ntrom cause your problem with defense pa and you could see say the moment omuka say Pate intimi nko no hwe shaking bi e bae cause midfield ni weak. Pate pe eni nipa e ni dano so and now Pate nu wan calibrate ana kwesi sibo mi ni jide o sibo mu no kwen na make catch no ampa your problem weak midfield weak defense. But you can't say attacking it there okay. But ask yourself, say someone no be perform well. Why never be deliver man? Cause City chalo mo Rodri won for the moon na honum. Obi a deliver.
Okay.
Into why never say mama Semeno mo no homo there na. I don't blame Semeno. I blame the team players.
Okay. You have a cause na kakra
kwa. Ko na we seconds. Mesre o. Anka FIFA yen hye bi mai. Say do ba bi a na so man bi ho kire na. And can to me high players in Ibi. So the see I say, Yaku Pama,
okay, so you have a cause like 05934065650534050199. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Of I am Mami Tiwa pay.
Maybe I was saying Ankasade. I'm saying, Yamiani Yashano. But me and Fire Ning Koto say, or man of Panama, and Chile, I say, or man eating ma out into one. So maybe a bob, or maybe I don't know. Oh, every prayer and also. First half now, 1 year one, 110 now, but I say, 1 year one, me, Judy said, never bear 1-1.
Okay. Right, Mate, made us papa. Good morning.
Hitman.
What's the Mami Tiwa pay?
Hitman, because every do Bruni dancing, Madina.
Mami Tiwa.
Hitman. Say, I shall be a match now, you're born for the match, you know. I think only at that first half, no. The first half, no. You're possible on the money pa. You are bossing. Let's go for that time, the boy, not have your buyer, Subium. By the time Benjamin Atari, I buy, no. Who also ultimately defenders, a pushing ball, no, every defense, why then, and the Chelsea, keep an also no be you know, no, yes, no. So, you go here,
okay. Right, Medas Wasti. Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I Jeff Rossay.
A friend of Peter Macasino Tazzy
Mammy Tiwana pay.
Medium were in shame, sir. Worry the mission a room. And Mapa to talk destination. We were in shame, sir. Your best home.
You, Mate.
Madame, you come up and drop into see. I want to be pan and need Japan and answer.
DLFM. Thank you so much for calling this morning. Good morning.
Fine morning.
Patrick Rossay.
I don't question for some alias. I put on a casa.
I put over in you, young quay.
And you must sound my family. Your first part will be the best year win. But only you. Share a provider man after me. Can I say and pan assembly? Best born or born. MY.
Matia, that's a papa. Good morning.
Hello.
Patrick Rossay. Yes, sir.
La Dosini.
Mammy Tiwana pay.
No, some guys give me the 3 legs gun. And I do with the 24-hour economy in the shaft here. Then I don't lose 3 days. 3 days.
You, Mate, but I say. Very final call on for your face. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Kofiba.
Make sure that you're final caller.
Mate.
Hitman.
Born on. They can't. But you are thinking of it.
I know the new line up on by.
Okay. We match with the other empire body here.
Yankopon and cat won't so home and pay. Was a very final caller. Okay, so producer said, Yamfa final caller na Yamfa Jumedio, Yamfa AC. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Me patch me your papa your first saying.
First I greet you.
You first time I meet you and pay.
Before the say dia upu no the baby wow. It is now Obia say it's a prayer say ya penny anyano. Yagobo never chile.
You mate be that's papa Yamfa see. Flagsy, yeah, call best dim comodium. We invite you once again. If you're not the Black Stars, but the best some wabanafi, yeah, the abruching como, yeah, the daddy Lumba home como, nafi, yeah, the DLFM soon como, the Wagana for Magic DLFM to more Hamburg, abruching memory, yeah, the San Comba, and I paid here, and come out honor a Black Stars into no, we'll find our submission of year here, not yes, sorry, so.
Okay, Medawasi beam. Sele mekana me de aseda be mamu se me invite me mama ba na edi dwuma de kwawie na madofo nso a omu follow me followers omu nyina nso no mechia omu nyina
TikTok president
Germany eno de mekano o makoma ete na mema na ten so omu nyanguye na mesu nyanguye kwa de tie betie na president nso nye de to so aba nya na me de ma ho ofe na me de ato nti so it's a usia for me che bibia o hwem bia from Hamburg me chia me sweetheart first lady me chia ne pa Hamburg SD for so me chia mo eno bibia odo me bia na o mo ta me nyina mo so mo still mo da so hwe me no me chia mo nyina Yesu asodwe nka
you enka also coach Leonard here so quick one na you hear na yes so final message as I say you best baby I know say Ghana versus England and after Ghana versus Croatia no how we approach the game we invite you once again so we can delve more into issues yes
that's me so me do bibia say and me da masise monye me moama me akonye ya me there then but I love this place and now that we are family so and I'm me fear suni house with the and wa papa no we have a boy we no me da masise
papa na me person will train in the kakra
but me penny energy level and I'm missing like
okay oh from a few to 3 minutes now do her and I was some mama 90 tell hana you to me din come papa cool thank you so much for coming yeah that's papa
yeah black obra na your listeners na say na yenka say steam dey here dia you bomb pie say na bit me din konim but the way of
but no free fan
na kura ni say
kwajo
but ne say se etumi kentene ye ho a e betumi din konim na mom say de ye mo boni ya de ye huni ya no be ye de ye best be draw
and say kentene ho a
say ye kentene ye ho a ye betumi anya win but say de ye mo bobo friend matches ne de ye huni ya see ye bi no be kwa deliver park na so de ya ye best e be ye draw meaning say ye betumi lose game no so they should be careful
right
and then makadada group stage ne de ye entra and the idea makana ye de ye entra so
why na ndem one
and dia me hu ni say e so ma Benjamin Asalida
atigiziku kwada
atigiziku kwada na dia ye nyina ya sema you see ye nyina empire boss na dia nka ye ka o mo bo empire nka Israel for na say kwaje world cup no I'm telling you yes Israel for na Nyankopon edo wa musina
Jordan for ko say
Jordan for ma lusu what you say ni di mo Bible mo Ghana Bible no fa na wo yes na Egypt for na mo ye for kan pa na so ko say and so Egypt to me ko hodi one ne ye fa say oni timbe kwa ne boy Egypt ne wan ne boy no Belgium. Ebo say one munya penalty na referee no kura etwi na ni ade. Enti ayi friend say me what fight see we friend say kura opam o say what time ya. David o ka say me kotu no o say op time ya waji me fi so me do fie. O say time ya waji me do fie. Ana me wa. TikTok president eno
ano no 100%. Waji me do fie. O say ahwe o so ka ho. Na ya no. Ta obi. Oye video na wasa ahwe no o ya dey na block e o it is already anonym answer
kobi kwekwa na ye ko na ye sorry
Hitman ye ku na ye bedo bi ase na mesre say omoma Benjamin Asare endem because o hwe ejuma vozia edima Capo Verde who said the same energy Nikita Benjamin Asare but so omoma atizigi ko dema omani ehu training grounds ma hwebi ye the ball machine ba ho atizigi ni nyina hye no Benjamin Asare ye 3 saves out of 5
with the ball machine.
Was learn at the training year pa.
And I made tell and to say omo person omunya results are Cape Verde for keeper no and more Musanje best player of the match me boy.
Man of the match.
Say Oje no so mo pay the same thing with Ghana there. I'm urging them say Omoma Benjamin Asare yen dey end them. No boy man no dirty work in nyina. Hitman no. Hitman na ye koi oyiwa don Yankopon ye kese na onyu fi adumu kwadu. We dey Madam Fubina oye DJ na Nana Sanka ni din ho. And yeah, DJ Nana. Yeah. And now here I was spending there. Oh, he was spending. Oh, yeah, I'm traveling. Oh, he was spending. No, he was spending there. Because pharmacy. We dey no home. O si o jaunia. Mi di yo me.
Bate.
Oh, he no. Oh, he no spending.
Abraso, we have to go. Yeah, abraso. I was here call. Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is to know when to say goodbye. As I can see, I'm production team and you sure about Kwejo Sammy B. This my Kadu say Coffee Taylor. Mike yourself. If you're right. DJ Zigibi. Coach Lonyard, and I'll pay you that's a papa. Flex your one here TikTok president. Thank you so much for coming. Yankupon Shaw papa. Yeah, from Hitman. Good morning. When you say prayer, will be my DLFM my phone. And I feel the Black Stars of Ghana. Yeah, Hitipa. Good morning.
Ya tada Abedi bele ne mane ayini jane ne mane ase ko fi ne mane asamu jane ne mane mwinda ne mane sibina pia ne mane Robert Mensah goalkeeper number 1